Sandalili, 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 sandalili. I'm a police in my country. Some of you know me well. If you look at me up and down, you will know that is true.
Mommy. What is it? What do you want?
Food.
Because of why?
Because we're hungry now.
You're hungry. Dada, you want chop rice? See your food. Come on here. If I live in night, go eat. Before I go chop this rice, I go sing times table for me.
Times table. Only.
Only
times table go chop.
Once I sing times table now, I will give una this food.
Okay, I'm Dada. Let's go now.
Where una come dey go? Una wan go change clothes. Make una ready come sing am. Now una dey. Dada.
Times table. Coming through. Keep it.
Dada.
Times table.
What should they do with table?
Want to sing times table. On the way.
If you be sure, make I go fit you. That thing what Aboki they do. Bah.
Mama, stop. And I say I should sing time table.
What do you want use table do?
Times table, sing table, remain time. When I go there, let's count it. Time.
Come here if they leave you go climb.
Time now. 12, 1, 2, 3 o'clock. Yes. Time. Let's create it now. Yes.
Dada. Keke. Una brain don't block. Una don't know anything.
Never even start. You don't even know what you want to do. You're complaining. I don't like this kind of thing. You don't know what you want to do. You're complaining.
I'm complaining. Me that I asked you to sing times table. I be cow. Ordinary times table. Ordinary 2 times 2, 4. 2 times.
Now you get 4 times table. The times table they call them.
What do they call them?
Now that one where they do 2 times 2. Yes, now. Yes, now. Not 2 times they call them.
Now 2 times, maybe times table.
No, don't say. Sing 2 times. 1. Let's go. Are you ready? Go. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2. 3. 2 times 3. 4. 2 times 4. 5. 2 times 5. 6. 2 times 6. 7. 2 times 7. 2 times 8. 2 times 9. 2 times 10. 2 times 11. 3 times 10. 24.
Hey!
At 24 the end.
Dada.
Ma.
What do you not sing?
2 times. You don't like that one?
What
Can you see 3 times? Yeah. Can see 3 times? Maybe see 3 times. Let's see 3 times. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go 3 times. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 4. 3 times 3, 5. 3 times 4, 6. 3 times 5, 7. 3 times 6, 8. 3 times 7, 9. 3 times 8, 10. 3 times 10, 11, 3 times 11, 24. 3 times. Oh, okay. 24.
Now 25 is stop.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's eat.
Una brain sharp. Hey.
Thank you for hyping us.
Thank you for hyping you. Hyping kill you there.
Let me water
Una
my
brain don't block. Una no know anything. You see like this, the rice. Bam, bam, bam. Bam.
Oh!
Hey!
Mama, this thing
don't
make sense.
What thing don't make sense?
Now scam you scam us like this.
Which one scam you?
So like this now. No, jokes apart. Like this now, you allow us to perform the chop.
You they perform as Davido or Burna Boy?
No, you pay me for concert.
Where do they perform where you know fit sing ordinary two?
Even if you know we not get them, at least you been there laugh. At least now come
I beg Dada, shut up!
Now don't let you.
I beg, make una vamoose. Come on for here. Come on here. Yeah. Hey, Dada, come on here.
Mommy.
Sweetheart.
Take good care of yourself while I'm away. Remember, don't stress yourself.
I'll try.
Make sure you rest and don't overstress yourself.
Okay. You two have a beautiful day, okay?
Yeah, sure. And remember, don't starve yourself in the name of watching weight. You have nothing to share.
Okay. So have a wonderful day.
And you too.
Okay, I'll miss you.
I'm missing you already.
All right, have a beautiful day.
All right, you too.
Okay.
Bye. Catch ya.
Oh, God.
Ah,
Good afternoon.
Dada.
Hey.
Good afternoon, Teddy. Good afternoon. Eh? Say good afternoon, not good
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Mommy, good afternoon.
Ah.
Take.
Wait, oh. Dada,
Take now, take.
take what? Where did you get all these tears from?
Purchase are from selling people for main road.
Eh. All this. Hey,
Kochi.
which are you diving, yeah?
Hey, that taxi so. Hey, but that one.
All these tears. Eh?
Buy
And
am.
how much did you buy it?
Tell her how much you buy am. Na me talk say we buy am. No be me talk say we buy am. Na Dada talk am. So na Dada will go ask.
But now they're together.
Dada how much you buy am? Tell her mommy. Na 500 naira will buy am.
500 what?
Naira.
All these pears.
You know plenty. You say na only
What
few.
they are selling one like this is 1,000 naira.
Maybe
How
that-
come you bought all these pears for 500?
Maybe they are cheating you now. We not buy it, shall we? Not buy. Wait, make I explain. Explain. As we dey waka, we go see people they sell am. Those people carry the thing plenty, the thing on the heavy there.
Mm-hmm.
So they come say make we buy am 500 so that we go reduce the heaviness.
Now I come buy some. Hey,
Come on your hand first. I know.
when I welcome, oh.
We know. I don't say you get a longer job for this thing. If you want to make money, I'll go buy for you.
Hey, you don't need to buy for me now. This one is big enough. I can collect from here.
No, don't do that. It don't happen. And now I don't buy this one for you.
Am I not your mother again? No, be me born on.
You are our mother, but if you want to do something, do it legally. Confirm. You cannot go behind the back or behind our back and take what rightfully belongs to us.
So
Yes.
I'm doing it in an illegal way.
Yes.
Eh? See your mouth as you dey talk.
Yeah.
As a digital children. Me na analog.
Let's catch cruise. You want Abby?
I want now.
You want?
I want like
More
two.
place more place more. Okay, if you want, if you not say you want this thing, sing for us. Sing London Bridge is falling, dance, falling, dance, falling. No, the teacher, no the teacher, mom.
Wahala dey o. Na wetin I wan make I sing.
Yes.
The way una dey sing am no be the way we will sing am that time wey we dey grow up. This one say London Bridge is falling, dance, falling, dance, falling, dance. If that one is what you want, I will sing it in my own way now. I will sing it. Yeah.
Sing now. Sing. Open ground.
Hey.
No, if you just sing, I go to dance for you.
My darling, you're working so hard. Well done.
Honey, honestly, I need some help in this house. The chores are too tasking for me.
Yes, you're right. But we have talked about it that we're going to bring some house help to help you on those chores.
I know. But you really need to act fast, okay? Because it's going to be more difficult for me when I get pregnant. So you have to do it now.
All right. I have heard you, and I promise to do anything for your sake.
Are you serious?
Yeah, sure. I am off to work, darling. See you when I'm back.
I'm gonna
miss you more, baby.
I'll be alone in this house.
Oh, you've been trying on this. Please do it again today.
Have a beautiful day.
You too, baby.
Yes, yes.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my dear lady.
No. You feel am.
I say what?
You feel am. No work. No get am. No be say the singer. You feel am.
I say waiting.
Woefully.
As in woefully.
Yes, all of them.
Flat.
Yes.
It's not true. I know exactly what I sang.
What did you sing?
The way I sang this song, was the way they sang it then when I was young. What are you saying?
Me, let me tell you how they sing our own. This is where you sing now, total rubbish. You go sing again, Abi, you go sing again, Abi Olo. You know, hear and well. You want to redeem yourself?
No, which one, Violo? You want me to repeat it? I'll repeat it, but I will still.
Let me teach you how they sing it.
Okay.
Let me teach you. Listen carefully. Listen and listen carefully.
Okay.
One. Are you listening?
I'm all ears. I don't
sing
mean
it 2 times. So if I sing it once, you sing it.
I'm all ears.
Let's go.
Okay.
Everybody. Good. I'm not hearing it now. Good. Oh yeah. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down. Aqua Kuko. You're laughing.
Hey, I'm not laughing. Oh, I'm vibrating.
That's how they sing it. Then
No,
the second tune.
no.
Yes.
Which second stone? Which is second tone? Which one is aqua koko? Mbano. Aqua ngwere. London Bridge is falling down, falling
Don't have
down.
to sing it.
falling
No.
down. How can you say aqua koko? Is there anything like aqua koko there?
This one you know lick now.
Which one is leak?
You know what?
Which one is aqua
You go
koko?
sing them again.
No, say aqua ngwere. It's my dear lady. There's nothing like aqua koko is not involved. In fact, aqua koko is not inside.
Which kind dear lady is that one?
My dear lady, you're saying here. Because
Stop. Mommy, you sing them again. We know hear and well. Sing them again. Shall you see this so? Your mouth don't go touch them because that time when you cook rice, bam, only you sit down, barakete, chop your rice, finish. So this one, now only else goes finish.
this one I sang well now, but only you people cannot even say 2 times 2. I'm your mother. Give me
2 times 2.
2 times 2 is what?
2 times 1.
Maybe 2 times 1, 3.
Chai, mom.
Stop now. This kind of thing again. Don't do this kind of thing.
Hey! You see? Look at the beer. Look at the beer. Beer, madam. Where you take get this beer from?
You are very stupid. Yeah? How can you barge into my house and you're asking me, hey, madam, where did you get that beer from? No, ask me where I get my phone from.
Then we check. Don't just provoke me. Don't just make us more angered as we have already been before coming to this place. Call those your urchins. Just call them out. What nonsense is this? Yeah? What nonsense? Tell me what tell you this.
Oh, dude, shut up.
Me shut up.
Shut up. I know what your problem is.
Go and see that because.
Oh, dude, you can never have your way.
Have your way.
You can never have your way. My children are not thieves.
They are thieves.
They are not. They are not thieves.
Go and bring them. If your children, if they are not thieves, what are they? In fact, your children are thieves. In fact, you are the mother of thieves.
Me.
Yes.
The mother of thieves. Because my husband is not alive. If my husband is to be alive, will you people be have insulted me?
Stop doing that. Stop crying that nonsense. You are just playing. Just listen. If you fail to give us this beer in peace, I will force it.
You will not do anything.
Let's take this
beer. You will not do anything. Do your worst. Do your...
What the
have been looking for. Oh, just leave my ash. Hold on. Pursue them. Pursue them. Hey, thank God. This pear is very sweet. Thank God for Juju. And the father came and carried my children out. Oh, Mama, this is the best pear ever. Oh, they were dragging it. Wait. You did it here. Wait, now let me give. Oh yeah, wait. Now let me give. Oh yeah, wait. Carry the pear. Let me stand up and give you the pear. Open your clothes.
Give me.
If we do nothing about those little devils, now, one day they will turn to something else. And we will not be able to do anything. I'm telling you. Imagine those urchins, those idiots, went and harvested a mass avocado pear. And then he came to me to complain. I said, hey, let's go and know why. We'll go there. They attacked us with cutlass. So I'm telling you, just us. No money to do something. Can you just listen to yourselves talk? Eh? Can you listen to what is coming out from your mouth? They attacked you people, and then you took to your heels. You let them go without attacking them. Then what are you even saying? I wish I was there. You will see run. What do you want to make we do? Those devils, they were with cutlass. And so? We were harmless. Most especially that one. That girl that is carrying that down now. That girl is their ringleader. She's the one engineering them to do all the evils they are doing in this village. I'm telling you. This is fast getting out of hand. We will not sit by and watch these people run this village while we still live. Thank you. Now listen, I will suggest we deal with Weche, their mother. She might have been the brain behind all of this. I have the feeling that this woman has put these children up to all of this nonsense. A child that shot an arrow must have been prepared by an adult.
Aka, you are right. Because a person that receives stolen goods is a thief.
But no. You just said something good. Hello! What was that? Those were armed robbers. Are you serious?
No. They cannot be armed robbers. Because if they were armed robbers, they would have robbed all of us.
Shut up. Did you see them? We ran now. We just had and we ran.
Those cannot be armed robbers. Why didn't they rob us?
So, who were those?
See, I'm suspecting Witch's guess. Because these are the kind of things they normally do. Now.
See, I swear with my forefathers, if those are witches girls, I would have stood my ground. And I would have stood too.
See, I was only suspecting. I did not say they were. Thank God you ran with us. So if not, if they were armed robbers, you would have been dead by now.
Exactly, would have been dead by now.
We would have.
Ibe!
Ipa! Ibe! Ipa! Odudu! Ibe! Ipa! Odudu! That's Aka's voice. Yes, that is Aka's voice. They say, where are these people now? Ibe, can you hear me? Come out! The coast is clear. They have gone. They said the armed robbers have gone.
You see? So it means that the armed robbers.
Let's go.
We should be careful.
Oh yeah, Odudu, go first.
Be very careful. Now. First, we should be sure. Maybe they kidnapped him. Odudu, what now? What are you doing now? Let's go now. He's still calling us. Oh, yeah, go now.
You people should come. Aka. You are here.
Nah, you don't know. Aka. Hey. What do you make? Hava, did you? Aka. Did you see them?
See who?
The armed robbers now. Did you see them?
What armed robbers are you talking about? The people I saw are not armed robbers. But those little devils that live with witches.
Those girls.
This is no longer a joke. They were with cutlasses, but I did not see guns with them.
Probably they might have hidden their guns and then come out with the cutlass.
But wait, those guys again. Did they see you? God forbid. Oh, your plans before was for them to shoot me?
No.
Because we were bragging just now.
Yes.
Did you hear him? You were bragging just now.
Aka, we thought you were going to catch them.
Probably bite one of their ear off. I was only peeping from my hiding place.
Oh, no!
Why are you laughing now?
Aka, you peep!
Am I not supposed to save my life?
But you said that we could have dealt with them if you were there. And you could have dealt. Not that you saw them. See, I expected you to attack them with the cutlass since you didn't see God.
Dude, this is not a joking matter. It's enough. The truth of the matter is this. These children are fast turning into a terror in this village. And we can no longer take this from them.
You have witnessed it.
The earlier we have them all driven out of this village, the better for us.
Lie. No, that was not our initial discussion. Oh, yeah. It wasn't our initial plan now. We discussed it in our hiding place that it is their mother that we're going to deal with.
Oh, yes, you are right.
It's
true, yes.
You even said that an arrow shot by children is prepared by adults.
You are right.
Bam.
Fail them, avoid the sweetest. As they fail them, you the sweetest. As they fail them, avoid the sweetest. As they fail them, you the sweetest. As they fail them, avoid the sweetest. As they fail them, you the sweetest. As they fail them, avoid the sweetest. Hey! We don't win. Last. See as all of them run kitty, run kata, so they hear our banga God. But this now they're gonna say, what's happen? What's stop? What's be that where happen? Where are they tell you? Hey! Well, they gonna know what's up. Everything done. Giddy. Hey! Ada! Who is this? No, what I see for your body. What do you see for my body? My sister, you know Bob Marley daughter. And you just resemble. I did tell you, I swear to God. Why you talking? Say you package your hair now. Forget. This is your packaging of hair. Forget. If it's you, just resemble and well. See me, I know. This kind of thing now is supposed to put band. At least we go join you, go just form one music like this, just give them back to back. And we go name that band Dada and Company. True. It go make sense, but your mommy no go make sense. You don't forget say you get mommy, we get strong head. See, just forget that woman. Because our future na education, our own na music. So we need to pursue our dream. We need to pursue our dream, oh. But we go tell him first. If he agree. I don't have a doctor. Okay, you want to go to school now? You want to go become terrorist? You become terrorist there. You go be the doctor. But let's go. Before these people go come here, see this cutlass, they're going to say now we... I know they go. Oh! You say, oh no, I don't want to talk to them anyhow because they're going to say to my mama. I go tell them.
Akandibe, greetings.
Keep your greetings to yourself, mother of Junior Ekwensus.
Is that the best way to answer my greetings?
Listen to her talk. Are you not the mother of those devilish and evil oracles? Especially the one that carries Dada on her head. Where did you get that little witch from?
Aka, you ask such questions? Have you not heard of the children that get into their mother's womb through the back door? Especially that one called Dada. I'm sure she must have forced herself into her mother's womb and is not leading the whole pack now.
Hey, this is not fair now. This is not fair. What have my children done to you that you speak about them in such manner?
Do you not know that your children now carry guns and shoot around?
My children?
Yes!
God forbid. I know the children I gave birth to. My innocent children can never do a thing like that.
Shut up! Shut that thing you call mouth. I saw your children carrying guns and cutlasses all over the places. They attacked our meeting place today. They almost had us killed. If not for God and his host of angels, the case would have been different by now.
Hey! Dada and company will kill me. Oh, these children want to send me to my early grave. Hey! Dada and company, let me go and look for them. Because let me go and look for them.
Now she's crying crocodile tears.
Can you imagine? But Aka, are you sure of what you said about those girls?
Ibe, has your fever started again? Are you trying to set me up? Was I not still the same person that told you that I saw them with guns and cutlasses? So what are you saying?
But how and where did they get those guns they are carrying around?
Oh, now you're asking me. Who am I going to ask? I'm not cut out for all of this. I need to get to my house first.
Where are you rushing to? Hope all is fine.
Eliza, my life is scattering. Oh. My life is scattering like this. So I'm not arasa.
Catherine.
Hey!
What's scattering your life? Who is scattering your life for you?
Is it not those 3 devils that Ugochukwu left for me? Eh? Those 3 devils that he left for me before he died, they want to kill me before my time. They want to send me to my early grave.
What have they done this time around?
Hey! Eliza, where will I start from? Where will I start from? Some people just told me that my children have joined armed robbery.
Eh?
Yes, so they say they now shoot guns.
Guns?
Ebube.
Ebube? Where did they get it from?
If you ask me now, who will I ask? Lisa, the men even told me that they came to their meeting and they were shooting guns and they scattered everywhere.
Ebube? Not toy gun?
Ebube. Elisa, I know what? I have to run along. Before they will shoot someone that will come to my house.
I will follow you to the house. For security reasons, so.
I think you have a point there.
Yeah, no.
For eyewitness.
Yes.
Thank you. Let's go, Biko. Thank you.
Jenny, baby.
Yes, my baby. Oh, thank you so much.
I hope you're comfortable.
Very well. I can't believe that I've been so busy not to even visit you. Like, I'm so sorry about that.
No, I was angry, but now I'm fine. I'm lucky that you're here. I'm not like a bird.
I see. I don't think you need help around here, especially when no guy is not around. You know, the house is too quiet and lonely.
How come you just read my mind?
Okay.
Yeah, I have discussed that with my husband, and he's responding positively. He told me to calm down, chill, that I should be patient, that he's working on it, now. But it's not easy.
You need it. You actually need it. Especially, the house is big and you need someone to help you tidy it up and all of that.
Yeah, baby.
Okay.
Can you help me look around? Please. I know you're busy.
Okay. I'll try.
Thank you.
I'll do that.
Thank you.
So, what age range are you looking out for?
From 13 upwards.
13.
Mm-hmm. It's cool, right?
13. It's cool. They can work at least. Okay. I'll try my best.
Please do.
I'll try.
Mm-hmm.
I'll do that for you.
For me?
Exactly.
Thank you, love. There is food in the kitchen, so I'm not serving you. You serve yourself.
I'll finish your meat.
Go ahead.
Eliza, do you see what I'm saying? Do you see why I told you that my life is scattering? Eh? That pot of rice you saw there is the pot I used in making pepper jollof rice with tomato sauce. Eh? And that's the food we were supposed to eat today and tomorrow being Sunday. And now they have finished everything. Yeah. Eh? What have I done to these children? Why do they want to kill me before my time? Eliza, as I speak to you, we do not have anything called food in this house. What is the meaning of this?
You have a good cane in this house.
Cane?
Yes.
I don't have, but I can quickly get one.
Good. Get a very strong cane. So use and go and wake them.
You are right. I'll be right
Come,
back.
do it quickly before they wake up and bring their guns. Please.
Hey! My forefathers!
How did they escape?
Eliza! They have escaped.
But how? I know that I don't know we are here.
Dada! Dada must have sensed something. Eh? Hey! Hey! Eliza, what have I done? What have I done to this children? What have I done? What's the meaning of this now?
I feel for you, my friend. Hi.
What's the meaning of this?
Ndo.
Hey! Eliza, I'm tired. I'm tired of this life. I am tired. I'm tired.
Stop crying.
Eliza, why should I stop crying? Why should I stop crying? Eliza, you do not understand that this pot of rice is the only food in this house. This is the rice we're supposed to eat today and tomorrow being Sunday. Now, how am I going to cope? How am I going to cope?
Stop crying, my friend. Biko, stop crying. Before you get BP, please. Please. You know what? I'm going to invite you to my house tomorrow to come and enjoy lunch with my family. Rice and chicken.
Hey, yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Lisa, you are inviting me to your house tomorrow to come and eat.
Rice and chicken.
No problem. I will be in your house by 6 a.m. in the morning.
No. Do you want to wake my family? I'm coming back from church around 12.
No problem. No problem.
Let me start going, yeah?
No problem.
Sorry.
Thank you. I will come, Rice and chicken. I remember I like the walking talk in the head.
It's for my children.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hey!
Eliza, someone. Eliza Ponano. This girl is too beautiful. She is too fine. She just a shine like light. If I am to say, if not for one thing, I would have just said, I love you. How are you?
I'm fine, no. Just I pity my friend Nech.
Why are you pitying her? Which?
Can
you what?
I pity her for...
Why are you pitying her?
The best part of my heart.
Now get it easy.
Which is in trouble. Those 3 daughters of hers want to kill her.
Hey!
Do you know that those 3 devils went and finished all the food that Nietzsche made and she has nothing to eat?
Kuto! Hey, are you serious?
Yes, so. But I invited her to my house to come and eat lunch tomorrow after service.
Eliza the good girl. You did well, though.
What will I do now? She's my friend.
Yes.
Sorry for disturbing you with this.
No, it's okay. It's okay. No problem.
Okay, now bye-bye.
It's alright. Eliza the lights.
Oh, this girl fine, sha.
And she's so beautiful.
Okay,
Hey, skin said it to you. It is a sharp mouth. No, let me ask her. When you don't ask her, the carry story of person eat, person no eat.
oh, Dudu. Don't you know Eliza? Eliza, the village gossip. I mean, please let us just go before we stand there and start talking about Eliza, the village parrot.
To say that is beautiful.
Oh,
Remove for one thing.
remove your eye from that.
My love.
Hey, baby.
I saw you cleaned up everywhere. You really tried.
Yeah, what to do? It's my responsibility. You know, I've been telling you about house help. You're not doing anything about it.
You have to always find time to rest. It's very necessary. Okay?
I'll try.
Well, I'm doing something on the house help issue. So don't worry about that.
I forgot to tell you. Jenny came around and I told her about it to help me look for a house help, and she promised.
So when is she doing that?
We did not discuss that deep because I need your approval.
All right, you have my approval. Deepen the conversation.
Thank you, my love.
Don't worry. As long as I'm around, I will always help you out.
Look at you.
From today.
You're always home late. Is it because you're home today? Have you eaten?
You should know I have not.
Stop there! What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with us? What is wrong with you?
Dada, now you the engineer every bad thing what they happen for this house. See, anything what I talk for this house now, you see, as I talk now so it go happen. Na me born una no be una born me. My decision in this house is final. Una must go to school. What if you're this one now? How could they beg you make you go school? What if you're this nonsense?
I don't go any school.
Make you shut up. You go school. And you wait till they tell me inside. Say Dada say you want to become a musician. Have you waiting? Man, no hear that nonsense for your mouth again.
Now what's I want to become now? I go lie for you. Now what's me I want become? Now you born me, not me say you go tell me what's I want become. Oh. You understand? Do your own, make I do my own. Now me know what it fits me. Now me know what go progress for me.
And what it fit you?
Now musician now. See?
Musician. I no blame you, and myself I dey blame. Because if say as you dey sleep, say I don't carry this your nonsense dread, go burn am. You no go get mad they talk this nonsense way they talk.
Go burn am because I buy am for me.
Dada, you know like this, Una go school. Now me go train una. Una no want make me proud. Make una go school, come out, go do youth call. After una do youth call, I go come dey answer Mama Dokenta, Mama Roya, Mama who dey sew clothes. Abi una no want give me that title.
You know see am.
Mama tell.
You know see am. See the kind prayer where they pray for us. Who can come be person wey dey sew clothes? Me I no go be person wey dey sew clothes. Doa. God forbid. Yeah. God forbid o. I no fit be person wey dey sew clothes. And see terrorists. No fit happen now. True. Me I will become a musician. Nobody can change it for me. Now musician I want be.
Musician.
I want to be popular.
Musician.
Yes.
You must go to school, Dada.
No, leave am. If you want become that, if you no say you want the answer that the doctor, lawyer, and other ones, go school, go acquire the knowledge yourself now. So that you go to add out your name.
Now make me born on so that I go school. Give me that title.
You not be make you force me do what I want to do. Make I do what I want to do myself.
Yeah, now what you want tonight, you want to do.
Not be you go decide what
Then like this now, we go know who be mama.
Oh yeah, nah.
Who go?
What to do? All these things happening in this village has to stop.
Okay.
Else, we will take matters into our own hands.
Okay, what happened?
Look, Odudu, we are going to take laws into our hands and nothing is going to happen.
What is going on? Talk to me. Taking law into my hands and they do nothing.
Odudu, you know that we like to come to you whenever I have to do with serious issues in this village.
That's right.
Because you have a way of handling it, right?
Thank you. Now grace. It's just grace of God. Yes. What is the problem? What is the matter? This one that two of you are talking about taking laws into your hands and nothing will happen and all that.
You see those little urchins? Those girls now?
Yes, yeah.
They went into my farmland and they harvested my avocado pear.
Again?
Avocado pear that I have been waiting, planning on how to consume them. They went there and harvested it without my consent.
Also again?
And it's the same way they went into my farm and picked all my palm fruits. And you know my palm fruits are not as tall as the native ones. So anybody standing can pick it. So they went into my farm and picked all my palm fruits.
What kind of problem is this? What? Nah. My kiss man, because Butu, just Butu. Let us be careful in dealing with those idiots. You understand? So that we will not do something that we all will regret in the future. Do you understand? Just guide him very careful.
Wait first, Odudu.
Yes.
What are you trying to tell us now? What are you trying to say? Are you trying to say that we should fold our hands and watch those little soldier hands consume our things and we should just keep mute?
No, that is not what I said now.
Okay, what are you saying, Odudu? What are you saying now?
You're not saying what are you saying? Is that what I said now? Did I say you
What are you then saying?
I said that we should be very careful in dealing with Uche and her daughters. Do you understand? You go you know that that Uche is a widow. She does not have a husband. So whatever we do to them right now, we look as if we are fighting them because she has no husband, she has no man that will fight for her. You should understand what you understand what I'm saying now.
Odudu, I don't. In fact, we don't understand anything you are saying right now. Odudu, I am beginning to suspect you.
Suspect you agreement?
Seriously, I am beginning to suspect you.
How?
Because whenever we bring this woman and her daughter issues to you, you always look for a way to protect it.
Chelo, wait. What are you trying to say? No, what are you trying to talk about me? Say. You see this nonsense that both of you are trying to say? That is what they call false accusation. And it is not good. No, now. Come, wait. The last time that those idiots harvested your avocado pear, did I not go with you to Witch's house to deal with them? And
yes, now you went with us now, isn't it?
Were you there?
He told me now. He told me.
What did he tell you?
He told me that you went to settle the matter.
Then why you not saying? Why you both of you not saying that you're suspecting me? How? If I did not go there, what kind of rubbish is that? What I'm saying? Calm down. Let's play with caution. That's what I'm trying to say. Suspected every time we bring matter that has to do with the witch. No, now.
And maybe you have found your way into the dark heart of the woman. After all, both of you belong to the same association, isn't it?
Which association? Also,
what do you do? Obonye kwenye ibaye fue.
Obonye kwenye ibaye fue. Ibaye
Are you not a widower? Is she not a widow?
Yes. Did you remember
that? I don't think he can help us anymore. Let's go.
No, come on, finish it.
What do you mean? Let's go.
Odudu, you are changing. You are changing, Odudu. You are really changing. You are deviating.
Ibe, come on, finish what you started, though. That process that you started, come on, finish it, though. Ibe, wait for me. What kind of rubbish is this now? These people have just telling us something that is worth trying. But yes, I am a widower. I do not have a wife. is a widow. She doesn't have a husband. Yes. I think I will try this thing. I probably approach her. Buy a spin, cow. Let me know if Ibe's prophecy will come to pass. Ibe dalo. Chuku kontiaki. Chireke. Hey. Which you are the widow? Oh no. You are the widow what?
Me, I know go school. This is Mama they talk. I know go school. Nobody go force me do what I don't want to do. Instead of me to go to the school, I go market, go learn how to sell garri and crayfish. So I go school where they flock person and name I want Congo.
Now your own you talk. So me now to sell pure water go learn.
Can you learn how to sell pure water? Not me to just enter market, buy basin, carry basin, pour water inside the shout, buy pure water, What did they learn?
Only one now. You, which one you want learn?
I will learn how to do puff. At least, if your water rich remain, we use that to chop. If your garri remain, we use that to chop at least. Last, nothing spoil.
Abi.
No, spoil. So all these beneficial things don't suppose to do for life. They tell me, say, make I go school where they flop. What you want is?
So you know say, if you bring garri for your oga shop, you go soak am for water with groundnut. Yenta. Yenta.
Come be my oga. Now, not all this my idea, they make sense, but they look me as better. They look down on me sometimes, but it's not good, sharp. But it's okay. And especially that one where you talk musician work, where you tell mommy, when mommy no allow us do. You don't even need bother yourself, my sister.
If mommy allow, you not allow.
Now from now, me anything I want become for life, now I go become. Now me know what it fits me. Now me know what I go good for. Understand? Now me know my talent. Now me know what it fits me. Now me know what I want to do. You know, God just call like that. They tell me what I want God to do for my life.
Let's go. I'll please. Come on. You all are thieves. No. There's no blood. These guys, their teeth be like knife. See, Ibe, I'm not going to let this one slide. In fact, let's just proceed to where we are going to. Let's go to our mother's place. Let's go. Bye. Who is here? Wiche. Is somebody at home? Hi! Hey, Malicha. So Wiche, you are at home. And I've been shouting since mother. Bye. Hi! Asa. So why you meet this? I can't go to Peter, we you are here? Yes, we. Come on, get out. Sorry. I don't want to be with you. Hi.
So, why are you here? What do you want?
Sorry, all is well. Does it mean I cannot visit you? I cannot just decide to come and say, let me go and visit Wiche or Halo.
Oh, Dudu. This one you're here. I hope my children have not committed any crime.
Wiche. Must it be times when things are wrong that I can say, let me come and visit you? Or you may be here and no, I cannot. Yes.
This one you're smiling like a Christmas goat. Are you okay?
I am okay.
Are you sure?
This is my nature. Anytime you see me like this, hey, in a bullet, can't you just ask me to sit down? Can't you just offer me a seat? Say, Odudu, sit down.
Odudu. Sit here now. You can sit down.
Thank you.
Make yourself comfortable.
It's all right. Hey, sit to go, sit to go. Sit to
I
go.
should sit.
I'm
here now. I'm in my house.
And
And I'm waiting patiently to know exactly what you want and why you are in my house.
Which see. I know you are surprised that I am visiting you.
Why are you
like
excited like this?
Are
Are you okay?
I'm okay. That is
Keep your legs one place now.
what I'm seeing is intoxicating me.
Oh, Jesus. You don't want to say what you want. I will go back inside. I was busy when you came.
So you cannot offer me kola nut.
Ha.
So does it mean
First
that
you
cannot...
said I should offer you a seat. I've offered you a seat. And now you said kola nut. I do not have anything to offer you.
Okay, even if you don't have kola nut to offer me and you want to buy, I can give you money to buy.
You will come to my house and you will give me money to buy kola nut and offer you.
Yes.
Like this now, you are not relevant. When you are done, you can go.
Let me tell you something, Ibe. You see that woman? I'm going to deal with her. You see what her daughters did to me? I will deal with her.
But wait, see, once we get to that place, don't go and start looking at her big buttocks and her beautiful face. We are going there to deal with her, and that is it.
What is wrong with you now? Is something wrong with your head? Eh? You that everybody knows that you are a drunk.
Me a drunk, Iba? They are calling me a drunk. Look, don't allow me to say what you don't like here. If not, you see this mission, you're not going to complete it here. What's wrong with you?
What do you want to say? What do you have to say about me, Ikpa? You that everybody in this village know that you are a drunk.
Me a
I'm
drunk.
even surprised that you are acting like if you are sober.
Hey,
come, let's go. Are you not a drunk before?
Me a drunk.
I'm even surprised you are walking as if you are sober. You are supposed to be walking like this.
You're a foolish man.
You are an idiot.
I think you're a foolish man.
You are an idiot.
Who is the Solomon of this village? See, everybody knows that you run after everything under skirts in this village. You run after all the widows in this village. Do you know that?
You are a stupid man. You are a stupid man.
You.
You are a stupid man. See, mind the way you want me, oh. Mind the way you want me in this village.
I want you.
Mind the way you want me in this village.
If I descend on you now,
you want to descend on me?
If I descend on you here, eh? If I descend.
Which?
Shift now. Are you not comfortable here?
I am comfortable. Hi, Asa, Niche. Do you know that you are a beautiful woman?
Plenty people don't talk and say I'm fine. No.
Really?
They talk and say I'm too fine.
Aye.
You are not the first to say that.
Okay. That's why I am here, to tell you something that will sweeten your heart.
Something that will sweeten my heart.
Yes.
Which is?
No, let me understand though. Does it mean that you do not want to hear me say something that will sweeten your heart?
Why not? Why will I not want to hear that particular thing that made you to leave your house? Your house to my own house. I want to hear it though. Anyway, I'm sorry.
Mbana, you don't need to be sorry now. There's no need saying sorry for something that has nothing to do. See. Love does not count errors.
What do you do?
And no.
It's a love. Love what?
Love. Listen, see, let me tell you, Wiche. In spite all the things that your children have done against me, I am here to tell you that I love you. See, listen. You are a widow I am a widower. Is there anything wrong for us to come together as lovers?
I am a widow. You are a widower.
A widower. No.
Yabono. Widow, widower, widowess.
So sorry.
Osike. Come, remove your hand. Osika anyagi anya. You man here direct Belgium.
I know.
Osim no Osika.
Kai.
So, Odudu.
No.
No problem. But what about my children? Are you going to be a father figure to them?
Forget about those. We are talking about something that had to do between you and I. It is you.
I should forget about it. It's just about you and I.
Thank you.
No problem. But wait, let me tell my children what you just said. I need to tell them now. Dada.
Genti.
Keke.
Oh,
Jaga.
No. It is no need now. You don't have to call your children just for them to begin to listen to adult talk.
No, you said you want to have me all to yourself, that you love me.
Yes.
Now that you want to marry me without my children, I need to take them because we'll leave them here and we'll go to your house. So I need to take them.
I did not say marry. I said I will take care of you.
Care of me?
Yes. I will
without taking care of them now. Dada!
No. I have a meeting somewhere. Go. I want.
Hey, this guy is useless. Hey! Dude, are you going? Hey! Chimo, I'm in love with you. Look at him. With his ugly face.
The pump like that's where we see lion.
See,
go report case for police station.
Odudu, the way I am right now,
Hey, my name no be Odudu. Odudu.
Odudu, the way I am right now, the kind of anger I'm feeling, I can use it to boil raw egg.
Are you serious? Chiro, let me understand. What be that? Who be that will make you this angry to a point? Say the anger go used to boil raw egg.
What be that drunken monkey they call Ibe? Ibe now,
your friend. What happened now?
Ibe look at me, Ikpa, and he called me a womanizer.
Are you serious?
Ibe called me a womanizer.
And what did you call him? What can lead to the point where we say two of them begin call on a name, on a self names? Yeah.
Both of us, we are actually going to Madam Weche house to report to her what the daughter did to us. And before we got there, Ibe started talking nonsense. Started saying all sorts of rubbish. He said that I should not get there and start looking at the woman bottom and her big breast. What kind of nonsense? Odudu. This is not a laughing matter.
I know it's not a laughing matter, but the way you talk up, make you start to look cowoko and
No, stop. See, Odudu, this is not a laughing matter.
It's not a laughing matter, but if I go do by the time this kind of thing begin to happen, it will cause person to laugh now. Yeah? Not by fault. Wait, let me understand. You say make you don't look where the and the and then what go happen?
I called him a drunky master. Then we fought. Then I beat him blue-black. Now I destroyed his face.
Are you serious? Chineke, this is serious. Oh. You beat him blue and black, destroy his face. Yep. You actually beat him. What you can make you now hang this your for because person will beat person blue, black, give him injury. You cause You see the look back. Let it not be what I'm thinking. What do you make you gonna come hang your polo for your shoulder?
Oh, Juju, now human being I be. I don't be a robot.
Yeah.
Who fight go sweat. Who
yes.
sweat feel off clothes. So I just off clothes, make I dey go where I dey go direct now.
You're right. So, where Ibe dey now?
I don't know. Maybe probably they don't carry and go one of these nearest hospital because he injured seriously. On his face, blood everywhere.
Are you serious?
Yes, every face. Damage his face.
So, this thing is serious to a point say they carry person go hospital. Nah, and you will kill somebody one day. Oh. Yeah? Okay, fine. Where will they go now?
Let me go and see Madam Wiche. I still want to go and report to her
Wait,
what the children
you won't
did.
go see Madam Wiche?
Yes.
No try am. No, just try am at all.
Why? What's happen?
You want white. And Nigeria from the come now. Nigeria they come. And I sure say, if you try yourself, say they go there, the hot water which is the boy now your body go end. And I tell you, try him now. Now the thing why you see, and I say, I run pepper, I'm telling you. So if you go try, say, call me. Hello! If I keep on your the idiot! Easy! Nobody talk say you meet a blue black. Thunder will fire you, the idiot! And I walk in my echo. No, here. I be the blue black. I know you want to.
Hey, Brother Jesus. Those boys are serious. Jesus. I tell you. See the way they carry that wood there. That one, they use that wood to beat us in black and blue. You know, go reach the color safe. Hi. Wait. Dada. You just said they never catch Dada. Hi. I'm not sure. Because they don't fit catch breeze. They're not a breeze, they don't fit catch her. Sure. Yes, now they don't fit catch breeze. Come on. As in, today bad, as in worse. So they just dey pursue us up and down. First time na those men. Now these boys, what you do them? Why they won't harm us? What happen? You never thank God say na harm they won't harm us. Because our life good now. Our life sweet. We dey find their trouble, why they not go harm us? See why they won't harm us. I better go, like so we go house soon. We will go house now. We should say, the fear, we should say no catch Dada. The fear now. And they tell you, say no fit catch Dada. Dada na breeze. They fit it. They fit it can't. They fit can't. They fit can't. What see they speak so? You don't do. Dada na breeze. You know how breeze, they see this breeze when they blow so. You fit catch them. Oh, God, smoke, go tell Mama what's happening. Because I don't like this kind of thing. Help my life. Look, I help your life. Hey. The waist won't break. Go. Look, I help your life.
Ibe. Epa. I called this meeting because of what Wiche's children, because of what they have caused us in this village. The other day, both of you accused me of having something to do with Nwiche. According to you, I am always defending her. Was it not what the two of you said?
But you made us believe so now.
How?
See, please, anybody who wants to speak should just speak for themselves. Yeah, I did not hire any lawyer in this meeting to come and talk for me. I have my own mouth. If I want to say anything, I will just say it.
Meaning?
Onye maro onye na-agwa, ya metu aka.
Bagam.
When you give a proverb about old basket, those people that do not have flesh on their skin, they shift their share.
I don't understand.
Odudu, please let us continue with what we are about to tell us about Nisha and the daughters. We will not allow a barking dog distract this meeting.
Yeah? Drunkard Ibe, please don't call me a barking dog. Odudu, you can see everything that is happening here.
What nonsense is this now? Why are both of you behaving like little children? Why can't you forget what is in the past and let us look into the future? If both of you continue this your banter, I will end this meeting and allow both of you to go and fight. After all, I bought this drink.
But Odudu, you were here when this here called me a drunkard. I did not do anything. Look, warn him. Let him turn his tongue, otherwise I will turn it for him.
Tell your tongue. Tell your tongue.
Ibe, me, Nkpi. Drunkard, me, Nkpi. Okay now.
Do you want us to continue this meeting or not?
Odudu, we are here because of the meeting. Good. But you have to warn this man here. See, little Ogogoro they enter this man's head. See, look at his face very well. Look at his face carefully. He's drunk already.
Are you drunk? Ready? It's just one bottle. That is not even finished.
Why will he not want this meeting not to end when there are no widows here? Look, I want the meeting to continue. But if he continues to talk to me disrespectfully, I will continue to answer him disrespectfully.
Oh God! Please. Both of you should shield your weapons and allow me tell you what I want to tell you. The reason of this meeting. I am sure that both of you will like it.
Odudu, please just proceed, okay? Proceed.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Will sit outside here. You know there's no light.
You are right, my
and that
friend.
fan inside here is not even working.
Do you know the last time I saw light in my house? What do I offer you?
Don't worry.
You don't need anything.
Continue with your gist with Odu. What did you listen?
Hey, Odudu. He came here to visit me now. That guy is so funny. Hey. I was just looking at him. Before you knew it, he started being unnecessary friendly. Hey. He even gave me money to buy him a kola nut. When he asked me to offer him something, I told him I do not have anything to offer you. And he gave me a huge amount of money. Which I used to buy one. In fact, I just bought one bottle of beer for him. That is it, though.
Why was he here? Because I know Odudu is always chasing you and your children in this village.
Eliza, I waited for him to tell me why he came to visit me. You can't believe what Odudu told me.
What? Biko bamukuneze.
Which?
Shift now. Are you not comfortable here?
I am comfortable. Hi, Asa, Niche. Do you know that you are a beautiful woman?
Plenty people don't talk and say I'm fine. No.
Really?
They talk and say I'm too fine.
Aye.
You are not the first to say that.
Okay. That's why I am here to tell you something that will sweeten your heart.
Something that will sweeten my heart.
Yes, yes.
Which is?
So no, let me understand though. Does it mean that you do not want to hear me say something that will sweeten your heart?
Why not? Why will I not want to hear that particular thing that made you to leave your house? Your house to my own house. Ha! I want to hear it though. Anyway, I'm sorry.
Mbana, you don't need to be sorry now. There's no need saying sorry for something that has nothing to do. See. Love does not count errors.
Odudu.
No.
It's a love. Love. What?
Love. Listen, see, let me tell you, Wiche. In spite all the things that your children have done against me, I am here to tell you that I love you. See, listen. Then we check. You are a widow. I am a widower. Is there anything wrong for us to come together as lovers?
I am a widow. You are a widower.
A widower. No.
Yabono. Widow, widower, widowess.
So sorry.
Osike. Come on, remove your hand. Osika anyagi anya. The man here direct version.
I know.
Osim no Osika.
Kai.
So, Odudu.
No.
No problem. But what about my children? Are you going to be a father figure to them?
Forget about those. We are talking about something that had to do between you and I. It is you.
I should forget about it. Just about you and I.
Thank you.
No problem. But wait, let me tell my children what you just said. I need to tell them now. Dada.
Genti.
Keke.
Oh,
Jaga.
No, it is no need now. You don't have to call your children just for them to begin to listen to adult talk.
No, you said you want to have me all to yourself, that you love me.
Yes.
Now that you want to marry me without my children, I need to take them because we'll leave them here and we'll go to your house. So I need to take them.
I did not say marry. This Kenti, I said I will take care of you.
Care of me?
Yes, I will.
Without taking care of them now. Dada!
But you cherry, man. No. I have a meeting somewhere. Go. I want.
Hey, this guy is useless. Hey! Oh, dude, are you going? Hey! Chimo, I'm in love with you. Look at him. With his ugly face.
Listen, my brothers. If we do not tame them, those girls will become very dangerous criminals. And then they will definitely begin with us, with their criminality. I'm telling you.
You are right, Odudu. But what do you suggest we do now?
I suggest we go to Wiche and then force her to pay for all the things her children have stolen from us in this community.
Yes, I support that one. Good. So when are we going to confront them?
I am ready. If you want us to go from here now, bagam, currently, now, we move.
I'm ready also. I think we should start going immediately.
Exactly. Eba, yes? Do you not support the movement?
No, it's okay.
No, do you support the movement of going to Witch's house now?
Odudu, it's okay. If you want to go, we can just start going now.
Immediately.
But please, let me warn us. Let us not go there and start looking at the breasts and big buttocks of that woman. We are going there for a serious matter. Let's not be distracted at all.
Something that is very serious. For what? We will go there now. Let us just drink up. Drink up. Now. Drink up here. Drink, let's just go there. Let us go and drink up.
Do you know that I even advised them to start all this petty trade work, like to learn work, hand work, like saloon work, tailoring work. Even Dada can do well in mechanical work like panebita. Which one is that an wine? Let her use the same energy that she's using to cause problem in this village to panebit people's car. But they refuse. That they don't want to do anything.
Baby will fit her very well.
My dear, I'm tired though.
So what did they want to become?
They want to become village champions.
Hey!
I am tired though.
Mommy!
Daddy!
How are you?
Dada? My friend. How far? No single respect.
And I met tomorrow no reach now. She go say I know the greet her. I know the greet her now.
Is that the best way to greet your elder?
Make you no be like say we dey disrespect them now.
Can't you greet properly?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Keke. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Do you cook rice?
No, Daddy. I fried rice.
Okay, well, yeah, let's go eat rice. Fried rice.
Come on. Will you come back here? Where do you think you're going?
We want to go eat rice now.
You want to go and eat rice? Okay, no problem. Before you eat that rice, count times table for me.
We still talk about this 2 times 2. How many times one call read that for you now?
Until you perfect it.
We do that one before. We do which TV. We know which one. We do which TV.
See, from today henceforth, none of you will taste my food. My food. I'm the one making the money. And I cooked the food. Before you eat my food in this house, you must recite 2 times 1, 2. And perfect it, oh.
Mommy, this way they do no good. You no good now. Person they tell you say they're hungry. They tell me say we could go recite a turntable, a times table. The person where they hungry, they jump on top table.
You they hungry. Where are you coming from now? No, Jabuda, where are you people coming from? And you, Dada, you are not getting any younger. Oh. You are not getting any younger.
I know now. Look at where they talk about friend, everywhere, friend up and down. This one are your friend. You don't say ordinary person call you and I sit off and I go to say that mama picking. Age mate. You they make friend. You not gonna make friend with your age grade. You they make friend with people who pass you.
Man, and where are you coming
and
from?
even you where they say one. You they say grub. Not even they tell our mommy so why they punish us like this.
This your children don't get respect though.
My dear, don't mind her. You have seen what I'm saying now.
That is why they call her. Now make they call her Eliza, the village gossip.
Oh! Okay, now gossip. Fine. Oh, Nashi. They do one. No even tell us to make she give us food. They do one.
Will you shut up? Look at her eye.
What's that?
Now they run. Who cow?
You're running there.
So this is why you are here. To ask me to pay for all the stolen items that my children stole from the village.
Exactly.
Why will I pay for them?
So, is it 3 of you that made up the entire village? We are the others.
Pico, Elisa, bam. You have no right whatsoever to ask us questions. Do you understand? We did not come here for you. This is our problem. Let her face it.
Oh, she's my friend.
Hey, Elisa, just behave yourself. We are not here for joke. Behave yourself.
Sorry, oh.
Yes.
Sorry for punking my nose in what does not concern me. Oh no, Kim.
Good. Because if I enter you, you cannot stand me. Biamuiche, what do you have to say?
What do you expect me to say? Or how do you people expect me to pay for something I did not take?
Respect.
Listen,
Don't provoke me here.
what will you do?
It must be more Ganya.
I will blind you.
You have something to say. Because when they steal it, they bring it home. And you don't ask them to return it to the owners.
The least thing I will do is to call them. So you can sort yourself out with them. What's the meaning of that nonsense? Look at him. If you go, shenanigan.
Mommy, thank you. Mommy, thank you. Thank you for the food.
Thank you.
Everybody, thank you, Mama.
Thank you, my daughter.
You must get an apple. You must get an apple.
Eliza, my pot of rice. Eliza, my pot of rice.
No, what is going on here? Mommy, thank you. Thank you for the food.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you for the thing.
Mommy, tell me thank you for the food.
Hey!
Eliza, thank God you have eaten some more. I didn't mean you have not eaten anyone. These children eat everything and left you hungry like the other day.
The full pot of rice that I made. I finished everything. Eliza. What have I done? I didn't kill my mother, but these children want to kill me. Hey! But you see this pot of rice? Odudu and his kingsmen, they must surely pay for this rice.
I support you in this one.
Because they are the one that distracted me. Odudu must pay for this rice.
Yes, so they will pay. Yeah, the men.
They've gone now.
Maybe they went after the girls.
Anywhere they like, let them go. What will I do now? Sorry. But you see that pot of rice, Odudu and the kingsmen, all of them will pay for that pot of rice.
I'm in support of this one.
Because they are the ones that distracted me from the activities of these girls.
Of this one.
Hey, Lisa, what do I do to these girls now? What will I do?
Send them away now.
Send them away to where? Where do you want me to send them to? I want to send them away. And they were greeting me, thank ma. And I was responding, thank God, without knowing that my pot of rice is involved. What am I going to do now?
Well, since we be saying we decide to turn down my advices to her, she could so far with her children in my hands in this village. The only thing we go save her, we go save that idiot from suffering in my hands in this village. Now say she agree to my love proposal. I will continue to instigate the men against her and her children. She go no say me wey be Odudu, say I be strong man for this village. Yes. What? Let me call her now. Let me just call her now. There's no need to use it, maybe later.
You see this? Turn! Oh, what did this thing they smell like? Crying. If you people did not tell me what I want to hear, I will make sure you cry with this Mr. Do-Good.
Oh, Mommy, we did not do you anything. Why do you want to flog us with this cane?
You did not do me anything. When three of you want to give me high blood pressure, you want to give me BP.
We don't want to give you any BP now. Which BP? Do we have any BP with us?
Do you have any BP with you?
No.
You think I'm joking?
I'm not joking. Okay. Before you flog us, can I ask you one question?
You will not ask any question now. You know what? Hands up. Three of you, hands up. I say hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up where? Separate it. I say you should... shh. I cannot know. P, hands up. You cannot ask your question.
The thing is...
Hands up as you're asking the question. Leave your head alone.
Okay, Mama, the thing... Are you born us?
What kind of stupid question is that?
It's family meeting question because I don't understand this whole thing. You did not call us for meeting before you born us. You just born us all of it, so you took us on our way, born us.
Shut up! Shut up! I took you on our way. So I was supposed to call you inside my stomach. Then I will ask you, do you people want me to be your mother or not? Do you even have sense? Is your brain working at all?
It's not like we are regretting that you're our mother. The thing is, you know that we don't want to be in this. You're supposed to ask us if we want to be in this world now. Mom, yes. Maybe God would like say, okay, since you don't want to come out now, yeah, go to another this thing, you know.
Another place. Big man's
Something
place.
like that.
Something like that. That's the same thing I'm saying, that you people are not happy that I'm your mother. You people are telling me now that you are not happy that I'm your mother. Oh, you're regretting. Oh.
Mama, nobody tell you anything. I just say, Mama, they understand speaking language from Sabele.
What kind of stupid language? Hey, my phone is ringing. Hey, go and get my phone.
Me, I know if you go.
I say you should go and get my phone.
Me, I know if you go.
And why?
And there's some punishment. Now there's some punishment with my sister. Me, I know if you stand up, leave there. If you want make I go, you go give us free play.
I go give one a free play. Hey, I don't give up. Oh yeah, make una smile. Not smile, more on a laugh. I say laugh now. Laugh out loud. Oh yeah, you. Dada, laugh well. Free play. Oh yeah, go bring my phone, come. Run! Oh! Hey! Person go born pikin wey pass am o. Okoro na carry onye Korea. Wait till na dey drag, bring the phone, come. Hey. Wait till na dey drag, man, I carry my phone. The phone dey ring. Wait till, man, I give my phone. Phone dey ring here, una dey here, they do something. Now be the. Hello? Who is this?
Now me now, Odudu. Chideke, which you don't have my number anymore.
Why should I have your number? Is he a ticket for foodstuffs in the market? Inekego.
Which now? Why are you playing hard to get? Him is in here on the wrong man. Listen. I have plenty money. I'm telling you, I have plenty money to spend on you. In fact, the end of suffering has ended once you accept me in your life. That's forever, a lifetime suffering end.
You have plenty money to take care of me.
Yes, now. Yes. I have plenty money.
Why don't you use that your money and get a wife for yourself? Why are you disturbing my life? I said I'm not interested. Is it by force?
Which you idiot! You're a foolish woman. That's why you have useless interest. In fact, let me tell you. You see, the only thing that will save you in this community is that you agree for me. If not, I will suffer you. I will make sure that, in fact, I will make sure that you and your children will be pushed out of this community. Idiot.
I've heard you. No problem. I will tell my children what you just said now. You see everything you said now? I will tell my children.
Go get out! Get away! Tell your children now. By the time I talk to my guys, I go. Any dude that I wanted to give her life a meaning. Don't worry.
Mama, what's happened? Now you and who just talk now?
Now that mumu boy. I be man. What I go call him? Man boy. No be that dog. No be that he-goat. That he-goat that brought those men to our house the other day. He has been asking me to be his female friend. And I said I'm not interested. Now he's threatening me on top. Oh. He said that he's going to make this village a living hell for us. That he will make this village, your father's land, uncomfortable for us. In fact, that he will make sure we leave this village. Eh?
You see, I know, really blame them.
No be their fault. No blame them. Me, I no go blame him more. Because if you say Papa they are alive, you know Greek man. You know go they get all this kind stupid talk or insult. Even cockroach, rats, everybody they talk to you because you know get we no get Papa, you no get husband. So you know go really blame them, yeah? Make everybody just they do their own thing. But last, we no go leave our fatherland.
In Jesus' name.
Amen. So that reminds us. You still want to give us the punishment?
No. No more punishment for today.
Why?
I will leave it for tomorrow.
Why? No.
I don't want to punish you people again.
You must punish us. Punish us.
Go punish us today.
Is punishment food?
You must punish us today.
Please, I have a lot.
Mommy, no, go punish us today. Not the time and tomorrow. Mommy, you must punish us.
My kismen. Listen, if we fail to deal with that idiot that call herself witch and her children, they will see us as weaklings. That we are weak. And before you know it, they will begin to take us for granted in this community. I'm telling you.
And I will always advise, if we are to succeed in our plan against that woman, Uche, and her children, we must tame our eyes from the big booters and concentrate on what mission.
Because what is wrong with this idiot? They give booters every time.
What is even going on here? Ibe, are you out of your mind? What is wrong with you? Are you always this drunk? Ibe, what is wrong with you?
Look. Well, when a proverb is said about an old basket, a thin person strongly reacts. When I was talking here, did I call anybody's name?
You did not call anybody's name, but
thank you.
My kingsmen, please. We have a mission. This is not the reason why we are gathered here.
At all.
We have more pressing issues at hand than all of this. Please.
I was only warning against going to Richie's house. And instead of doing what we went there to do, we start looking at the back side and the front side of the woman. That's all I am warning against.
Who is Ibe? Who is Ibe? Please. When are we going to confront Witchet? When? Tell us, when are we going to confront her?
Let us do this thing tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Let's do it tomorrow, yes.
Okay. I agree with you.
Tomorrow is fine.
Yes, I agree with you. Tomorrow is okay. Because I am already running late for the next meeting I have in the next village.
Okay.
Yes. Tomorrow. Yes. Let it be tomorrow. Tomorrow.
It's okay. As long as we know what we are going there to.
We are going to confront her.
Oh, very good.
Tomorrow.
And he is threatening to deal with me. He said he will make sure I run out of this village with my children.
Because you turned him down. Why are men like this?
Elisa, I don't know. I don't know. Why is it that all the men in this village don't want to stay away from me? Am I the only woman in this village that have a babaika and tontala?
But you are well packaged though. That is what all the men want to chop.
Elisa, did I create myself? Is it my fault? Am I the God that gave me natural BBL?
Me self want it.
Natural one, carry come. Tear rubber.
No be.
Tear rubber. Obokwa Bejo. With him tontara. It's not my fault.
Me self, I want it. But God gave me small one and small one.
Had even I'm the one that created myself. I would have given myself flat one.
No, don't try it though.
At least like Jotongo. It will be very flat.
Mbao, like Trempan.
So that they will leave me alone.
No.
What do you have me do?
They will still follow you.
Hi.
Stop crying. Why not call your brother Ken to come and warn all these men to stay away from you? This disturbing is too much now.
Ken. Elisa. Don't you think I should give in to Oju's request?
Don't try it though. Do you want him to see as one of those village cheap women? tomorrow now he'll start telling people, I've seen her nakedness. I've seen her. No, don't try it.
Oh, my God, I've not done it for a very long time. Sometimes my nipple will be sweeting me.
Hey. Could have go to city now because all these village people.
But had it been I have money now, I would have buy arm rubber for myself. Yes.
Arm rubber?
Yes, you know that.
Criminal, thief, ndoshi.
No, stop. Arm rubber. Get no money. Arm rubber now. You know Ngozi, Mazibe's daughter in Lagos. She uses arm rubber. That arm rubber.
Oh, it's only cucumber.
No, don't use cucumber. That one will give you infection. That arm rubber. She will press it. The thing will even be doing like this. And I need it.
Where did you see all these things?
I don't know. Let's go inside.
Hey!
Let's go inside and make food so that you can eat. It's not everything that you ask. I'm telling you, I'm rubber and you're telling
my
me.
Friend. You haven't seen the one I know.
They have the one that vibrates. Oh, I cannot say for
What did you? Abba, come. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. One message for you.
Yes,
that
yes.
message.
Yeah, good afternoon. Yes, yeah. How may I help you? Because I don't have time here. I don't have all the time. How may I help you?
Nobody will help us. Now we want to help you.
Eh.
I have a message for you.
No, I want to hear it. Let it out.
My mom said I should tell you that thing that you have been asking from her, that you should come. You should come.
Are you serious?
Yes, that's the message.
It's alright.
No, I want to ask you one question.
Okay.
What be that thing where you ask for my money?
What do you want to know? Small girl like you. Eh? See, three of you. Just run home. Go and tell your mother that I am coming. You understand? And for being good girls, I want to surprise you. You should take this and then add to you. Buy more bread and oh. So run. Move, okay, move, let me see you.
We're coming, come down.
I was just want to move.
Rest it.
Just tell your mother to wait for me, oh. You understand? Good girls.
She's already waiting for you. That's why she says
Just go and tell her that I'm coming now. No move now, I can't that time.
Thank you for joining me. It's very sweet. Thank God those children are not finished. I was able to.
They are not at home now. If they were to be at home, that food you will not even meet one piece inside that pot.
But it's true, Sha. Thank God I ate with them.
My counselor, thank you very much for everything. I will do all you ask me to do.
Counselor, kwa?
You are my counselor.
I never reached that one. No.
Ha! Anybody that gives advice, advice. You are advisor. So you are my
pastor wife, you advisor.
Leave pastor wife. Anybody that can give you advice, counsel you, tell you what to do. Look at me now, I'm not crying again. You are my counselor. You are not lion.
Thank you for the food though. I will come back again and eat.
To eat again.
Those children should not be around.
Oh, Sadiganaya, go home.
I will come back.
Don't come. Bye.
you need to go fast though. No go tell Mama what is there for grand. What that man will get there before. Let's go and tell her what's up. True. Let's go fast.
I just wish say as I enter road where I go just see Keke or Kada. Who go just carry me enter witch's house there. Because I know be she change her mind. I know be she change. What is that, Maria? What is that? He did it again. Go. Go. Bye. Is anybody at the door? Who is that? Which baby? It's me. Go. You should go inside. Go inside. Go and tell your mother that I'm here.
She knows say you are here, so it's when you come inside.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
Oh, she knows I did. See. Oh, wait, don't look it. Eh? So, where are you going? My friend, go back. Where are you going? What are you going to do? Were you not the one that said your brother said I should come in? Stay here. We get baby.
I can't place it. I can't even comprehend it. How could Odu embark on such a stupid journey at this time without even telling anybody?
I'm still wondering.
Ibe, what kind of nonsense contribution is that? You have come again, this boy. In this serious matter, all you have to say is, I'm still wondering.
Public he-goat.
Why are you talking like that?
Public he-goat. It's again. Say it again. Aka, tell him to stay in his lane. He has come again. I'm on my own now. You started attacking me. You better stay in your lane now.
Ibe, it's okay. I'm sorry, you know my guy now. I was just checking. I was trying to check if you are talking with your right sense. You know you are a drunkard. So I was just...
Please. This is not the time for all this. You both are grown-ups. You can't start your wars right here again today. We are in the middle of something very important that involves everybody here. Why are you doing this? Especially now that it even involves Odudu, our best friend who has gone missing. You want to start attacking yourselves?
Aka, help me judge this. Ali said that I wonder. And this public he-goat here, Olinayo Mwaya Jadu, started attacking me. Look, we're not on the same level. All I do is drink, and that is it. I am not like you that runs after widows and divorcees. If you come after me, I will deal with you. I'm warning you now.
Ibe, you are just a foolish drunkard. You are not just a drunkard in normal. You are a foolish drunkard. You village walkabout. This your leg not to stay one place. No, this your leg not to stay. You calm down.
At least I'm a useful drunkard. I'm not like you that is a woman rapper that runs after everything under the skirt.
Drunkard.
Idiot.
Hello?
Hello?
Odudu, what is the meaning of this now?
We are kidnappers and we have Odudu.
Hey!
Kidnappers?
Kidnappers? Kidnap Guinea?
If you wish to see him again, you will pay the ransom of 5 million naira.
Hey! 5 million!
See,
See, calm down. Is that the last price? At least allow us to negotiate now. Bikonu.
Okay. How much do you have?
See, just hold on. Calm down, I'll call you back now. Let me talk to my friends. Okay?
Discuss with your friend. I'm giving you 10 minutes. Else, we will buy Odudu.
Please, don't buy him, please, okay? Just relax, okay? I will call you back. Let me just talk to them, okay? Please.
our doctors have taken Odudu. Where do we get 5 million naira from?
5 million? Look, I suggest you call them back and tell them we will pay 1 million naira.
Ibe, you have started again. Where do you want to get 1 million naira from? Do you even have Chichi in your account? What is your problem, sir, this boy? Hey!
Okay, why are you insulting me now? Hey, you are insulting me again now. Only made my own suggestion and started insulting me. Why not suggest your own if my own is not good enough instead of insulting me? What's wrong with you now?
Exactly. Ipa, how much do you think we can price these people?
50,000.
50 what?
Yes, now the country is very hard.
Are you mad? You want to give 50,000 naira to kidnappers? It's like you don't have sense.
The country is hard, though. Eh?
See,
the country is hard.
I will only suggest right here now, that we go by what they said.
Exactly.
We give them 1 million naira. You are going to call that same number back right now before they switched off that number.
Please, 1 million.
Yes, now.
Aka, 1 million.
We'll rally round.
Okay. 1 million.
This is our friend we are talking about here.
Wait now. Pray now.
Amen. Plus Jesus minus devil. Amen.
Try. Plus Jesus minus devil. Eh? Come on. Dada. You never chop food now you don't collect meat.
Let me just eat small now.
Eat small. You know if you give respect, say your malede here. Now you go to collect meat.
Make I just...
Chop am, no drop. Chop am, you don't dey chop am already.
Well, I just carry this one too.
See this bingo.
I don't understand this kind of play when they play. This is not be fair play.
No, we don't mind them. Make me and you eat the food. I no go chop this food
It's not
again.
there again.
Wait till they eat rice. No be food you go eat.
And say they go chop these people now, they never do this meeting. Make they tell us how much they want contribute. No, we carry our money, release this money. We go wait for inside. Yes.
But Dada, I don't dey ask myself this question. How much you go collect from them?
If they give us like 50,000, I don't do now. We be real kidnappers. You wait till this one they talk. 50,000. What if 50,000 we do for you for this country? Ha! You, why they talk like this? To be real kidnapper. And to shut up. You be real kidnapper, you be real kidnapper. You be fake kidnapper before.
Now I carry person put for house.
You carry person put for inside your house, they demand for ransom. You know, say they arrest you like this now. You and those kidnappers are the same.
I beg.
Talk rubbish. The phone they vibrate too. Check whether they
Yeah, what do the phone? You dey ring go. Make I answer them.
Wait. Use Anki, make your voice
And
change.
don't forget to. Hello. How I go take help you? What you want? You know what thing go happen eh? More na no worry for the 1 million. More na bring the 100,000 naira. Carry that 100,000 naira for Koro house, that uncompleted building where they for there. As you drop the money for there, run. As you dey run, no look back oh. And if you try to do anything with the funny, we go buy you. As you dey answer this call, we dey watch you. My gang dey watch you. Drop the money, come up for that place.
Never cause one and they do it.
What?
Mommy.
100,000.
Mommy! Hey! Mommy, Sabiam!
100.
You're supposed to tell us say you don't do this business before. Wait, the ginger for you don't do it before.
No be you they teach me. Now you they teach me the bad thing what they do. See as I answer the call. Hello.
I'm going to change immediately. I tell you.
I want to collect the money.
Mama, you want for us now. We go run now.
You know what thing go happen eh? Drop this meat first. Drop them. Wanna run they go that place. If we not reach there, you wanna observe. Drop the meat at the talk. You they collect meat. Waiting they worry your head. You don't decrease. As when I reach there, you wanna perch for one corner. As you perch like this, you dey hear me so? You observe. As they don't drop the money, anything where they happen, wanna control me through phone. As they drop the money, wanna they watch them.
Okay.
Make sure saying don't come off for there. As you don't clear, wanna grab the money. As when I grab the money, wanna run the con house. Make sure say person no see you. The 100,000 go fit enter this bag. You go fit. Shook am inside. You carry him. Come back. Mona they go. Mona they go. Leave water. May you feel wrong. May no go there.
Mommy.
Mona go. Mona watch where. No. May they go bring the money now. Maybe I will there. You know, say this your hair na problem. You know where they see you. Da. Oh yeah. Run now. See, I'm in the park. Wait till you get to the park. See in KLA. Come on, you don't remember.
Uche, why are you doing this now? Just because I said I love you? Eh? Love, money, it's a hard job. Uche.
Love Shut up! No talk again. No talk again. Abi, you know, say, na kidnap you.
Uche.
So as a day like this now, if I leave you, open leg, you go jump inside.
No, I'm not jumping. I will jump again. I will not jump. I will not jump again because forgive me, please. Release me from.
I don't want to make you talk. I don't want to shut up. Abi, you know, say we kidnap you.
I know.
You know, say I kidnap it. Shut up! Shh! No see head. You go wait, make my daughters come back.
Release me from this captivity.
From what?
Captivity. No, shut
up! I said that. You said me release you from waiting.
What
Caterpillar.
Captivity. I must be when we because
you don't know. Oh, I go kill this guy. Woman, buy you dey crazy. No, they make noise again.
Okay.
We go forgive you, but you go wait make my children come back.
Okay.
They go collect the ransom wey your people bring. When they don't carry the money come, from there we go begin consider whether we go release you or not.
Pay money? For what?
For your head.
Chideke. Hey, Chideke. We
No money they go pay. No be kidnap, we kidnap you. If you don't see who they kidnap fish, they will leave and go like that.
Hey.
Wait to
kidnap la village here.
Who do?
Who
be new?
No,
come that thing again. Man, no blind.
Oh, mistake. You begin with the
Oh, do not be you they threaten me, say you go make sure say me and my children run come out for this village. Now, how far? Oh, do how far?
Na play they play. No best that because of your natural endowment. Now go attract people where you dey. But as you come turn me down, I can't say make I threaten you small. You and your children. Not beside me now. Just so that you go feel great. I don't know if you go lead to this one now. Because
so love now by force now.
No.
So as you dey now with your ugly face now, wait. If me now come bend down now say na dog now I won't give you. So you go shook enter.
I know you go shook again. You know the all that go. You
go shook enter. You go enter.
I'm sorry because
what did you sabi so? You know say
I sabi sock before, but I know the sock is again.
You sabi sock
before.
I take the wash plate. I take the washer. Hey, Katira. You don't shop?
Baby, I'm hungry.
You don't hungry? I No, they make noise. Make my neighbors no say I kidnap.
Okay.
Now you be the first client who are the gate.
It's alright.
What do you want now?
Just I don't know they're hungry.
You want money for them?
I'm gonna finish me.
You want money for them?
Money they decide. No, this side.
Because I know they use my money buy anything give you. Oh more. You get money, oh.
Now maybe because say I get money, I go take care of you.
Shut up.
Shh.
You know what thing of soap now, I should give my daughter, Dada.
May go buy rice and beans. I don't know, but no fuck with that.
Rice and
beans.
I don't know. No fuck with that. No fuck with that. You go buy you bread.
Bread.
And 1 pure water. Don't worry, I'm gonna make the pure water.
Bread. Oh, no, bread.
No one hear him now. No one hear him.
Oh,
Oh no. Make it there like that. And they come. You want lash. You want lash. No see.
Look at what it. Person look for person waste. See what they cost man now because and they look for waste. And they look my app waste. See what they cost me now.
I saw these people, they used to still play Wayo. No man. Because this one, I never even see anybody break light for you. They use us, you know, we'll come on. No, come on. See them. They don't come. Wait, we know what they want to do first. We know what they want to do first.
Honey. What is it?
I'm breaking out. I'm tired. I'm losing it already. It's choking me. I can't do this anymore. I've been telling you about this, that I need a house help in this house. You're not doing anything about it. I'm no longer active.
Babe, I'm so sorry about this, okay? It's fine. I will talk to my other sister about it to help me out, yes?
Start calling her now. Call her right away.
I will. Let me get to the office. I will make the call there. Okay?
Are you sure about this?
Yes. Just try and be fine. See you when I'm back.
Have a splendid day.
Thank you.
What a pain every the time. Alone in this big house and doing all the chores. I'm tired.
Hey! See money,
Money, cool cash.
Ah, cool cash. Money good though.
But man, I'm just thinking. I'm still thinking this thing. What do you think, Prophet Dada?
Dada, what do they think?
This is what I tell you as I said, we'll continue this thing.
Shh. Ah, shut up. No, continue waiting. Kidnapping.
No be kidnapping. The 6 people keep inside house, collect money, they will release them. See, mommy, we will cash out this thing. Because this thing, if we keep on doing this thing, we go cash out big money.
What do they cash out?
Me, I support them.
You support who? What do you they talk? Dada, if no be say one thing, I for say you no be my pikin. Because this my blood, I no sure say it pass your own vein. How you go say me could they kidnap? Abi, you don't know say this thing like kidnapping.
No be kidnapping, no napping, no man nap.
Napping.
No.
Kidnapping when I mean no be saying I kid, no be small pikin. I know they talk. That's why I tell you make you go school. No one go school. I say kidnapping. You think say I kid, small pikin and they talk. You say na man napping. Kidnapping na where you go carry person, lock am for your house or for bush. Ask people may they bring money for ransom.
No, don't talk that kind of thing.
So, but he bad.
He bad though. This one we'll do na the first and last. And we do am because of say, oh, do they worry us? May no worry us again. Ha! I go say me they do kidnap. If government see us or hear this thing, they go send all of us to jail. 20 years imprisonment.
I don't want to do.
Hey, 20 years oh.
I don't want to do.
You know, ever about a phone.
What's in your own? What's it? Eh? Money whenever you want land. You don't talk as you want to share. Wow. Let's say poverty, they scratch for you.
I beg you, shut up. No even get respect. Your mama dey here. You dey say make you share money. Now you dey cook food where they shop for this house. You know what thing go happen? We go first release Odudu. When we don't release them, then we go talk about how we share the money. So what thing go happen now? They say make una day here. Make 3 of you day here. Make I go hide the money. Then I go check with where you they stand up go.
I want like make me and you follow the game.
Make me and you follow.
You see that 2 of them go bring the money. Me and you go keep it.
Sit down here, make I go hide the money.
Okay.
Eh? Yeah, sit down here, make I go hide it.
Let's say we will follow you.
Where you they follow me go?
Make I want to tell you something. No, sir.
I don't know anything. You don't trust me.
Come, I don't understand. I don't trust all these people. I don't trust them. Why Dada go follow mommy like this? I don't make sense. Come, go. I don't go. Yeah. My money don't lost for there.
Problem everywhere.
Aka, what happened? Did you drop the money?
We are lucky we came back with our lives. They sent people to shoot at us.
What?
So we quickly dropped the money and then we ran with our lives. My only prayer now is for them to collect the money and then release Odudu alive.
But they have no choice than to release him now. We already paid the money. They have to release him.
Ibe, are you in the committee that they release abducted people? Or you think it's one of those your cold beer or hot drinks you get at the bar? Eh?
Yeah. Oh, Epa. The day you finally become a man and stop attacking me verbally, that day it will become well with you.
What is the meaning of this now? There is something I just don't get about you both. Eh? How can you be attacking yourselves? We have an important issue right here on our hands. Let's just pray that these people release Odudu alive so that he can come back and pay back that money that we paid to the adopters to release him.
Aka, so this is where your mind is. It's all about the money.
No, Aka is not wrong. Go. It's not easy to cover 30,000 naira in these hard times.
Oh.
After all, some persons were only able to pay 10,000 naira.
Okay.
Ibe, if you know exactly who you are talking to, why not just touch the person? Ibe, touch me now. Eh? You think I'm a drunkard like you?
You think I cannot touch you?
Eh?
Is it not you, Ipa? I know where your money goes. It's not in the waste of just widows.
Drunky master.
Public he-goats.
Drunky master.
Public he-goats.
Drunky master.
Public he-goats.
Nonsense.
Idiot.
Hi. God. Hey, thank God for... Thank God, say these demons say they leave my phone for me. We can call this. Ah. Junike. Nah. Now these people, oh, they don't even charge this phone. Eh? You carry person phone, you see person phone, you put the charge up now. Hey! In fact, we can reach house first. Your life.
Hey! Hey! Today is the D-Day. But before we go share this money with our front, so we have to pray. We go need pray well.
Which one can't be prayer again? This thing na food. What you want pray for? My own thought to be say, me will not pray for anyone. Everybody, I believe everybody get their own spirit where they lead them. If the way where you go pray for this money, now not be the same way where I go pray for my own. Not be the same way I go pray. Not be the same way. So let's share the money. Let's pray our own. Thank you. Exactly what I want to talk. Because if you share this money now, the God where she they serve, not be the same God where we they serve. So share this money, we could go pray for the money by ourselves.
We never understand the way they talk. They say waiting elderly person sit down see. Even if small pikin climb Ureko tree, no go see am. Because this money where they here, we no know waiting Odudu don't do. You know they happy say we collect this ransom. So we need pray so that if he gets any evil thing when he don't do attached to this money, you know go affect us. So me on a close eye, me will pray. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
See, let me tell you something. Instead of me to die taking excessive alcohol, it's better for me to die on top of a woman, honorably. I'm telling you.
You're just a foolish man.
I'm a foolish man.
A foolish man that missed his way. Okay. And is now grasping for support in the loins of a woman. Atulumulebu.
Drunkard.
That's what you are.
Drunkard.
My friends, can you both stop this shameful disgrace of yourselves in the public? Hi! I don't just understand.
Now, whenever.
Odudu.
Hi.
Odudu.
Odudu.
Odudu. They have released you.
Yes, so I'm back, my brother.
Thank God.
But I have suffered in the hands of those demons.
It's okay. It's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay, my brother. But Odudu, who were the ones that kidnapped you?
Ibe, I don't think I will be able to answer that question now. It's not possible. Because I am so traumatized. All I need now is to go in, wash my body, then look for something to eat, and then sleep all the sleep that I lost in that captivity.
It's okay. We've been praying for you. And thank God you are back to us. Safe and, very safe. You need all the rest right now.
Thank you.
In the entire world.
Thank you.
We will leave you while you go and take your rest. Freshen up, then get something to eat. Later we will come back. So you can tell us, you will narrate your ordeal in the hands of those stupid people.
Yes.
Thank you so much, my people. Hi. Thank you. God.
Hi.
Do?
Thank God for your life.
Sorry,
Now I know that a man's neighbor is his kinsman.
Yes.
I'm just...
Please take care.
They gave me a phone. When I charge, I charge.
Sorry. Ndo. Rest well.
Hey! They really tortured you.
You do have suffered. He has really suffered.
All the same, we thank God they have released him. Father, King of Glory. If he get anything, we no do. We pray in Jesus' name.
Amen.
See as when our eye open like fish. You not even close eye. So how I go share the money now? When I know what's going to happen, I go share this money into two. As one mama, I go take 50,000 first. Keep on one side. Then the other 50,000 we go share and make one.
No. For my I don't already calculate how much everybody go take. Everybody go with 25,000. Thank you. So me will not do any kiniko.
Waiting be kiniko.
Mama.
Shut up. Wait you want talk? No talk.
Mama, no do this because your mother. You don't want chance of. No, share this money. Now we bring the idea now. I will bring the idea. Mo kidnap am Odudu.
If not, you forget this kind of money.
Now you bring the idea and make we kidnap Odudu. As we kidnap Odudu, where we keep him? No be for my house we keep him. Who make the call? Who negotiate? No be me negotiate.
You no go make you no go share the money when na this.
See wetin I dey talk. Na me still dey cook for this house. This money now, if una say I no go comot 50,000, we share the other one. No problem. We go share am equal. But after sharing this money, now be say from now till this world end, till una marry, now una go dey use una money dey cook food wey una go dey eat. Use una money buy clothes, Christmas clothes, everything na una money.
Anytime wey you want just hook person, you go bring this topic. Yes. Anytime wey you want hook person, you go done. I only leave mama for this life.
Wait. Say she not say we like food.
Wait, my phone dey. Hey, na my brother. Hello, Kenny. How you dey? We dey fine, oh, they are fine. They are fine. Eh. You will come and carry all of them to the city. Ezioku. Hey, that would be nice. We will be waiting. I will discuss with them and I will pack all their bags. Hey. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hi. You see now I won't break my phone. You be Judas. And the answer call, you know if you wait my finish. Hey. Nah, my brother they call me. When I uncle. He say he won't come carry on. Go city. Me on they stay for city.
That means you have to share the money you call for now. Yes, we can be feeding ourselves like you said.
Yes. No problem. You know so I love her, eh? Waiting will happen the same. I go give her 20. I go take.
No, now. See, we're going to see. We need to buy something. Yes.
25.
Equal.
Equal like.
So you hear this what they talk say, sinners they always run, even when nobody will chase them, they will run. Just the run they go. Nobody coming back, or the run they go because if we catch you for this village again, you know they're funny, I swear. We just come here, we can't tell you say your time don't reach, your time don't end. You don't come to the end of your time. So pack all your things, they do a thing, they go. Now we don't see you again. Before your body go tell you. Run, no go. Because allow your back leg, not your back head.
Nah. Which can wahala be this one now? Eh? Which can problem why I don't enter? I just carry my leg, enter that wala. Which can problem why I put for myself now? Eh? Ordinary touch me, I touch you love. Why they do it to witch? Now this one why I don't carry problem. Come for my month. Eh? Eh? God. Before these children, before these urchins, this idiot won't do me. The best thing to do now to come off, run come off for this village. Before they go partner with their criminal friends, come injure me. See me now, not carry injury, no injury.
It's like Odudu is not home. It's obvious now. It's obvious. That guy don't come over this village.
But where could he have gone to now?
You ask him. If you ask me, who will I now ask?
What kind of bad luck is this one now?
Odudu thinks he's smart. He thinks he has played the fast one on us, right? He has run away because he doesn't want to refund back the 25,000 naira we contributed each. Eh? Aka, to his adopters.
Aka, how can you say that? How can you be talking about money right now? What if they find him there? Eh?
Yeah, Ibe, what is wrong with you? Or have you taken a lot of alcohol again this afternoon? This afternoon again? Hey, Ibe, do you think it's easy for somebody to just cough out 25,000 naira like that? And now this man is not in the house. That's to say the money is gone. I will not get my 25 and you're here talking nonsense. Eh? Drunkard. Drunkard.
I know you would have preferred if you invested the money in a woman's waist. Eh? Woman rapper.
See.
Woman rapper.
Drunkard Ibe, listen to me carefully. I am not in a good mood this afternoon. So please mind how you talk to me. Because you will not like as I will treat you this afternoon, Ibe.
My friend, shut up your mouth there. So would you have preferred if he died there?
I should shut up my mouth.
Shut up your mouth.
He can only run, he cannot hide. I am not in a hurry. I will take my time, search for him. I will look and I combed every nook and cranny of this village. Wherever he is, I will bring him out from his hiding holes. And then he will refund back my money to me.
Aka, if you ask me, I will suggest you just forget about the money. Because me looking at this old situation now, you will not find Odudu. He's nowhere to be found. So let's just forget about the money, okay? Let's just go. Let's go.
You see what I am telling you? This in here is happy that a competitor has been removed. Now he can be in charge of all the widows in this village. For only him. Can you see him?
Ibe, what is wrong with you now?
Am I lying?
I will talk A, you talk B. What's wrong with you, sir?
Am I lying?
Baby, are you mad?
Am I lying?
Won't you just leave me alone?
Are you not a woman rapper?
Ibe, I said leave me.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay now. Ibe. What's all this? What is wrong with the both of you? Eh?
Ibe.
2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 times 2 times 4, 5 3 times 6, 5 3 times 7, 14.
Wait till they sing. Turita 1 2 turita 2. Open your mouth, make use of your mouth, make it flexible and sing.
I don't like this thing, no. What this is what we talk now? Which are the difference? Like, what is the difference then? You just the find and that is where you go take the drag this matter, the drag this money matter. I don't like them more. And I share this money now. Now you be gone. Share this money where they are hand. But this money now we work on. Bam.
If I don't want share am, na me dey shine eye for. You dey crazy.
No. Let's do it this way. But you go cry.
How you go come? You dey sing say 2 times 1 2. It's not time. It's 2 times.
I chop the money.
It's 2 times.
You go cry. But you go cry.
Me go cry.
Yes.
I go shop am. I go shop am.
The people say now we capture how to do it for this time. Anything when you happen, make it happen.
Yes. No tell them.
No.
Ma share am. Wait.
Share the money now.
You never reach like that.
Every time they drag and they drag. Tomorrow night you see the money there.
Calm down. Calm down. Everything.
One can't rig this
Come on
election.
your leg. Put on here.
Not to drag this.
You don't do. You don't do. No the nag. No the nag. Nag no dey your blood. You don't do. Oh yeah, hold this one first.
Person not talk.
You don't do now. Everything person they talk. No be everything person they talk.
What do that to? Mommy, as I look this money, be like say 92,000. No complete.
When I still the counter. Dada, you don't need counter. Now I give you better money. You don't need counter.
Complete. Nice doing business with you.
Dada, you don't do now. What you do?
Mommy, don't many. Hey, let's say she collect 2,000.
You no go shut up. Which 2,000? 1,000 dey this money. No be only 500.
Mommy, you go share and you go dey equal like the same size. The same size with our own.
No vex, hold this one. No be everything person dey talk. Now me be your mama. No be everything una go dey talk.
Go.
Your fruits.
Okay, mother. Thank you. Come and join me.
No, I'm fine.
Really? Are you sure you don't want to join me?
Okay.
What about you eating this?
I said I'm fine.
Take it,
Leave me
take.
alone.
Have it. You even want it. Women.
So, baby, what about your sister? Concerning your nieces, are they still coming?
Oh yes, the discussion is still intact now.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you.
Before weekend, they will be here. I think by now they should be prepared
Before weekend?
for the trip, yes.
Oh, Jesus, I'm a bit relieved.
They will come and you will be happy.
I can't wait. I've been waiting for so long. Do you know, why not just call her to remind her?
I don't need to call her again now. It's a done deal.
Hi. So,
You will have helpers very soon.
yes.
Hey! Chopping life. I tell you. Oh, Mom. You know the money? 55,000 naira. Now 55, I be 25. Your own self was pass.
25 ta. Una, Keke and Jaja. Now what's happening? You get this idea, this vision waiting for my head since I just the reason vision. Ha! It's be the vision. You know this position where at the moment I want to. You know, say even as they go city like this, all of us figure that hand now become the musician. All of us they do it. You know, Abby? How want to do it? Okay. This small money where would they gather like this? Now they use and they chop, they buy go to go. We no go to spend them like that again. All of us will gather money, contribute and use and go buy MP. All this thing where people they carry, they use and they play music. If you buy MP now, go use and enter market or enter anywhere. They use and they pay for people. People go they give us money. You know, so we're gonna make more than all this small money they use they buy all these things. You know, Abby? Not true, Toko. Hey! Oh, you do your head. This your head carry sense. Oh, you do your fire, they up. See the for your head. So now, we agree. Me contribute money, go buy the MP. Support or no support? My sister, we there with you now. What did they talk? Support or no support? We there, gallant. Support or no support? Support. Hey! That's my sister. Go make them together, yeah? I tell you. Make them together. Go share the money.
My friend, this one you're looking like this. What one is fine? Where are your children?
I'm fine. They went out. You know, very soon they will be traveling to the city to stay with my younger brother.
Are you serious?
And I've started missing them already.
Please don't miss them. At least you have peace. Nobody will come to this place and tell you your children stole their banana, your children stole their mango. No, now. Allow them to go, please.
I will try.
Hey, I came to ask, were you able to pay the villagers the money?
I've not paid them, my friend.
Aye.
Even the money I gathered to pay them with, my children stole it.
Hey.
I believe by now they should be somewhere squandering the money. I don't even know what to do again. Like this now, I don't have 1 naira in my house.
You know what? Since they are traveling to the city, don't pay the villagers the money. If they come looking for you, tell them that the girls that stole all those things are not in the village. They are not around. If they need their money, let them go to the city and collect it.
Hey, Eliza, you have a point there. You are right. After all, I'm not the one that stole the things. So they should go and meet them
in the city
and confront them. You are right. At least let me have rest of mind. I didn't steal anything. Why will I be the one to pay? Thank you, my friend.
What our friends for?
Thank you. What's wrong now? What's keeping Ibe? Why is it taking so long to come here?
Maybe something very important came up for him. You never can tell. I believe his presence here alone would have added more to the meeting of today.
But if you ask me, I think we can just start up this meeting without Ibe. His presence here is not that important. Now let's just kick off with the meeting.
Why would you say this now? Why are you always saying something negative? Eh? Is Ibe not our friend? Why are you so self-centered? Listen, Ibe's presence in this meeting would have been so good in the course of the decision-making process of this meeting. So okay. Stop it.
Okay, see now, Aka. Okay, now here is Ibe. Okay, think about this. What if he has gotten himself drunk and right now is looking for this location? He just somewhere now roaming about looking for us. Think about it. That guy is a drunk.
I have a question for you. Okay. Why are you always accusing Ibe of being a drunkard when you and I know he has never for once gotten drunk in this village?
That is because you people don't have spiritual eyes.
For real?
Yes, you people don't have spiritual. If you have the kind of spiritual eyes that I have, if you look at Ibe with that spiritual eyes, you will know that that guy is a drunk. He's a serious drunk.
Ipa, you have a problem. You have a spiritual problem. If you can now see somebody who is drunk and somebody who is not drunk, then you yourself, you are a problem to yourself. You are now more spiritual than every one of us, right?
You people are just carnal. You are carnal, that's why you cannot see Ibe. The true Ibe is a drunk.
You know, the only problem I know Ibe is always having with you is the fact that he accuses you of running after every woman in this village, especially the widows.
See, okay, I don't like that statement you just...
What statement?
About the wasting, I don't like it.
My kinsman.
Oh, you're back.
Yes.
You see?
See, I am very sorry I came late. Look, I have to stop those evil children from Witch's house from harvesting Aka's mango fruits.
My mango tree?
Yes, your mango tree. I was passing and saw them throwing at your mango tree. So immediately they saw me, they took off. I had to run after them, but I wasn't able to catch up with them because they were very fast.
Oh my God, that was worse. Hey, come here! Hey! What is that thing that Ada is carrying?
I couldn't see it before they ran off. But wait, is that not your money they use and buy those things?
Hey! You have seen what I've been telling you.
Hi.
Eh?
My friend.
You have seen... Oh... Can you imagine what I'm seeing in the hands of these girls?
Sorry,
Hey!
Very soon, the Egyptians you see today, you see them no more.
Wait, Eliza. But you bought touch of man. Did you see exactly what is inside that nylon?
I couldn't see it.
Hi, Ukumo, my waist. No problem, my friend.
So, I will be going now.
Okay.
Anytime I see them, I will ask them to return all the money they have been stealing from you.
Please, so Eliza, help me and talk to them. Maybe they will listen to you, I won't be able to see you off.
Hey, you nearly enjoyed yourself.
Can you imagine?
Bye-bye, my friend. Come now.
I don't even have strength to stand up.
Don't worry.
My waist is paining me. Snake. And I'm
Ibe, why didn't you apprehend those people? Instead, you allow them to escape, only for you to come here and start talking nonsense. Now, what proof do we have to show that these girls are the one that harvested those mango?
Are you a fool? If you want any evidence that I caught those children harvesting the mango tree, then I am the evidence.
Okay, you are the evidence.
I am the evidence.
And you are very sure that you were not drunk on alcohol when you saw them. Or maybe you might be seeing something else and you'll be thinking they are children.
Ipa, can you stop these childish quarrels you are always having with Ibe and allow us plan our strategies against Wiche and her evil children? My friend, I will suggest one of us, perhaps you, Ipa, go to Wiche's house and find out why she has refused to make payment we demanded on behalf of her thieving children.
Okay.
Like, I see, Mankwe, if it is Ipa we are sending, I will never vote for it. I said lie. I will not agree to it.
Ibe, you are a big fool. You are a fool, oh. Ibe, you are an idiot, oh.
And why did you say that?
Because we may never get any reasonable answer at all. That is, if we even get any. If we go there now and start looking at big breasts and buttocks of that woman and forget the reason that we went there.
Ibe, you have started again, oh. Ibe, you have started.
Am I lying now? Wait, am I lying?
I can't, you are here, oh. Ibe, you have started again.
Are you not a woman?
Ibe, you have started, oh. Am I lying?
Honey, our guests are here.
Oh my God! Hi! Oh my goodness! Hi guys! Mwah! 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 Beautiful cakes! You guys are welcome.
Children, what's the problem? Why are you refusing to go inside? You're even blocking my way.
What did you introduce us to your wife now?
My guests.
Your guest? Are we your guests? No. We resemble your guests. You don't know my name. My name na Dada. My name na Keke. They call me Jaja.
Okay. Girls, I'm very sorry. I apologize on behalf of my husband, okay?
I am so sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, forgive me, please.
Forgive me.
You know, I intend to just say that you people are welcome to my house as visitors. That's what
They make them worse. Yes. I'll be your visitor. No, I'm not.
They're your nieces.
Yes, you're right. You're welcome. Can we go inside?
Well, let's go in. Come on.
So
happy to see you guys.
Jaja. Keke. Welcome.
Smile now.
Who else? Are you sure this woman is inside with her children? Are you sure?
Welcome.
Keep your greetings to yourself.
Winche, look how so fine. Look at your Manchester and your Bayern Munich. Man, you are beautiful.
Ipa!
Waiting carry on come for my house.
Well, as you can see, Ipa and I are here for the men and the people of this village. We have come to ask you why you have not responded to the payments you were supposed to make to us. Because of those stupid children of yours.
So that is why we are here, Sha. So we are actually here so that to make this complaint. But anything you have to say to us, just say to us so that we can go and report back to our kinsmen.
I don't really have anything to say.
Yeah.
Will you shut up? You don't have what to say. You have something to say. You can't stand before us and then you are telling us you don't have anything to say. Where are your children?
Will you force me to talk? My children are no longer in this village. They've traveled. They are now in the city.
Uche, are you trying to say you are the only one now in this house? In this big house?
Yes.
Hey! What? They've traveled to the city?
Yes, they've traveled.
When? How?
How will you know when you are busy gossiping around? How will you know? Since you people do not want to give them peace in this village, you people don't want them to grow in peace, they have decided to move over to the city and make it so fast there.
See, Aka, you've heard her. You've heard all she has to say. Those children, they are no longer in this house. That means there is nobody to disturb us anymore in this village. Come, let's go.
Ipa, are you alright?
Let's go now.
Are you alright? You think you're here on your own accord? They sent us here. What will you go back and tell them?
Then we'll just go back and tell them that. We'll go back to tell them exactly what she just said now. That they are no longer in this village. There's nobody to disturb us anymore.
Why are you stubborn? Why don't you agree with your friend and go? Do you want to stay? You want to go inside? You want me to take you inside my house?
Ipa, you're exactly what they said you are. You are nothing but a traitor. That's exactly what you are. Look at what you're busy saying. You think I don't know your mission here? I am not going to be part of it.
Aka, let's go. Let's just go. Uche, take care of yourself, eh? Hey! One, your man! Aka, be careful with me.
What's wrong with you two? What is it? Calm down now. Shoo. What's happened? Why you come and disturb us for our mommy put that house? I don't know.
Hey, the audacity for me. Are you talking to me like that?
See, you get someone that sing. Oya parawa gwa cannot. Bodinju, bongura. We are trying to pack our Abi?
Are you singing for me?
Yes, now come and relax and chill.
You guys came here to help me, not to sleep away your time and your lives.
Yes. You gotta calm down, no? Eh? You gotta calm down. If not, you go cry for us. Auntie, make I just give you one piece small advice. Guys, calm down. Guys, calm down. As you see also, we stay small, but if you put us for mouth, they pepper. Guys, chill. Baby, pass the tashi.
Hey. They actually brought you girls from the village. I asked for house helps, not the ones bigger than the house.
We look like ourselves to you. We like you don't know your mates. They try, nothing happen. See, make I tell you something, eh? We don't come this place because they do us made. We get target, we have focus. And our main focus is to become musician. Not because they do this nonsense where they tell.
Any more word from you girls, I promise I will flog all of you.
Flag us now. Here. Shoo. Come on here. Come on here. Oh, yeah, come. Flag us. Come. Come. Let me show you the wrong. If you don't stop it now, come and do small exercise. Come and do small exercise.
Do all you can, okay? You see, today, there will be no food for you girls. If you're hungry, go to the kitchen and make food for yourself.
I beg, give us food, Jare. I don't know. Send food not in this house. Give somebody food to eat now. Give us food to eat. See, you cannot even carry yourself. Your hands no green wrong. Come on for here. Carry your shit up and down.
No problem. You come and meet me inside.
See, my sister, you don't be waiting. We don't fear you. Now waiting you carry for us now with the fear. Nonsense. Don't even reach my mouth self. My mama pass you 100 times. You see my mama nyash. You don't see your nyash they learn. And she get the biggest nyash for the village. She never share and give us. How she share and give us? Because we have our own big pass the home.
My sister, I'm telling you. Those girls, they are strong bones on my neck. Hey, I asked for maid, just a maid. My husband went and brought warriors for me. It's really choking me, honestly. Hey, like I'm going crazy, honestly. I don't even know what to do.
So, what is Kenny saying or doing about this?
He's just being emotional. You know, they're his nieces now. So he keeps on telling me, be patient, they are little children, this and that. I'm losing my patience. I'm losing it. Honestly.
But wait though. Did you say that these children are his sister's kids and they are all midgets?
Little adults.
Hey! Little adults.
I've not seen anything.
See, Juliet, you really need to do something about this. And the only thing you need to do is to stand firm. Don't let them use you like a rag in your husband's house. You have to stand firm, no matter what your husband thinks about it or how he feels. Don't give them room for that.
That is only what I would do. Because the way it is now, it's as if I'm the one that is the maid, not them. No respect, nothing.
I'm sorry about that. By the way, where are they?
As if you don't know. They are sleeping, of course. Always sleeping. Always. Sleeping. After sleeping, the next thing is food. They are hungry.
You're not a maid in your husband's house.
You have seen it.
Sandalili, 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 sandalili.
Where is someone coming from?
I told you. I told you. Come.
Sandalili, 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 sandalili. I'm a police in my country. Some of you know me well. If you look at me up and down, you will know that is true. Sandalili, 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 sandalili. I am a doctor in my doctor. Some of you know me well. If you look at me up and down, you will know that is true. Sandalili, 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 sandalili. I am a professor in my professor. Some of you.
What's the meaning of this? What the heck is going on here?
Oh! Why will you come and disturb our performance? We don't do show, we practice for show, coming show. I get to distract her. I don't understand. Where did you go off the music?
Hey.
Did you just talk to me like that?
Why did you go off the music? I asked you question to question.
Juliet, this is trouble. Eh? Why?
I don't understand though. I don't understand. Because see, make I tell you, we did our mommy brother house. I not tire you, we did our mommy brother house. Sure, we supposed to do anything we want to. See, we didn't know.
But why are you playing such music?
I don't plan.
So you have the audacity to play such music in my house?
Good. Why not plan? No, why not plan? You know that your husband's house. Me, I don't go find my future. I'm a musician, I go play my music, I do my practice.
So you don't even have respect for me. In my husband's house, you're playing this loud music. For what?
I'm a musician now. I'm a musician will be.
So that's why. So that's the reason why you want to bring down this whole roof, with your song, with this sound.
Madam, cool down. No be your house be this so. Go your house if you don't want to. Who are you? Now I walk this so. When you don't go walk, stop.
Wait, you even fold your hands on your waist, talking back at me. As what?
But you are not keeping your own on your waist. No, carry your hand, put up. Madam, we are sorry.
Sorry.
Well, why would they tell you sorry?
No problem.
Hey,
I don't even know where to start from if I want to beat them. And I don't even.
Juliet, you're in a mess. You have to fix this.
No problem. You'll hear from me.
Come. You say this thing an opportunity comes but once. I get plan, follow me.
These people are evil! What are they doing my leg?
Did you want to say? I'm sorry.
Yeah, my waist.
I'm sorry.
Oh, Juliet, my waist. Yeah.
Which number?
Do not open that door for those criminals! Catch them for me instead!
Madam, what's this dog?
Catch them for me!
Hey,
Catch them for me!
go!
In the name of God, I submit yourself right now!
Come on.
I said submit
Come here.
yourself!
What did they call this one? Madam, see what you do.
Submit yourself! I said she submit yourself, so...
Yes.
Okay, my husband is back.
Nice one. Nice one.
Can you imagine?
This people is so incompetent. Eh?
Kakaki,
Those girls escaped.
what's the meaning of that? Why did you allow them? Why did you let them escape? What's wrong? Why are you so incompetent? Why did you allow them to escape? Why did you allow those devils?
Madam!
Eh? Why did you allow them to escape?
No be where I hear Oga home. Make open gate, make Oga enter. Fear of these children. Let those children follow the other side. Smash me. I won't come out from this compound.
I won't take this nonsense from anyone anymore. I won't!
What's happening here? Why all of you
I
outside?
don't know your nonsense. I've not had rest of my since morning. From one problem to the other. I will not take this anymore.
I don't understand. What are you saying?
Since morning, they have been troubling my friend and I. You know what? They're leaving this house.
My love, can I see you? Please, just come.
Listen, because of these children, I just slap.
Don't even catch those small girls. Eh?
You no get leg. No be you wait for River Jordan. Come for River Niger, come fall again. Wetin do you? You get stamina. You dey there, they talk something. Because of these children, I don't just slap.
Honey, I overheard you talking outside. Who were you all outside? What happened?
It's not those your wonnesses that wants to buy me before my time. I don't understand.
Mr. Kenny. Good afternoon.
Jenny, sorry, okay?
Thank you.
Sorry about it.
Oh. Hi.
What happened?
Jennifer and I were discussing outside. We heard this loud music, so we ran out to see. Lo and behold, it was your nurses. So I approached them. I was asking them, why playing such loud music in my husband's house? They started insulting me. Then we ran to their house and saw this strange situation.
What did you see?
Sandalili, 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 sandalili. I'm a police in my country. Some of you know me well. If you look at me up and down, you will know that is true. Sandalili, 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 sandalili. I am a doctor in my country. Some of you know me well. If you look at me up and down, you will know that is true. Sandalili, 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 sandalili. I am a professor in my professor. Some of you.
What's the meaning of this? What the heck is going on here?
Oh! Why will you come and disturb our performance? We don't do show, we practice for show, coming show. I get to distract her. I don't understand. Why did you go off the music?
Hey.
Did you just talk to me like that?
Why did you go off music? I asked you question. Question to question.
Juliet, this is trouble. Eh? Eh? Why?
I don't understand though. I don't understand. Because see, make I tell you, we tell our mommy brother house. I not tire you. We tell our mommy brother house. Sure, we do anything we want to. See, me they know.
But why are you playing such music?
I don't play.
So you have the audacity to play such music in my house?
Good. Why not play? No, why not play? You know that your husband's house. Me, I don't go find my future. I'm a musician, I go play my music and do my practice.
So you don't even have respect for me. In my husband's house, you're playing this loud music. For what?
But I'm a musician now. I'm a musician will be.
So that's
Your
why.
husband's house.
So that's the reason why you want to bring down this whole roof, eh? With your song. With this sound. Eh?
Madam, cool down. Don't be asked with this, so. Go your house if you don't want to. Who are you? Now I walk with this, so when you don't go walk, stop.
You even hold your hands on your waist, talking back at me. As what?
But you are not keeping your own on your waist. No, carry your hand, put up. Madam, we are sorry. Sorry. Well, why would they tell you sorry?
No problem.
Hey,
I don't even know where to start from if I want to beat them. And I don't even.
Juliet, you're in a mess. You have to fix this.
No problem. You'll hear from me.
What?
They should thank their stars. Eh? They should thank their stars.
Honey, please, I'm very, very sorry for what my little nieces did to you people. I will take measures on that immediately. Please, sorry.
I was about apprehending them before he came in and they escaped. Ha! Those guys, they should thank their stars. Okay. If not,
My driving distracted.
Mr. Kenny, it's okay. Thank you so much for even caring.
I should be thanking you for understanding. So sorry, please.
Juliet, I'll have to take my leave right now, okay? Just be fine.
Take care of yourself, okay? I'm so sorry.
It's fine. Okay, sir. Bye.
All right. Bye-bye, Jenny.
I'll call you, okay? Did you see that? What if it was worse?
Kakaki!
Jenny, now you?
No, na ghost.
I think say na those rascals. Those rascals with me and them, they share this kingdom. Man use this my weapon of warfare. Share the intestine open. Me and them, they share my palace, my kingdom.
Please, can I go now?
You won't go?
No, I won't stay. Okay. Open door, Joe.
Hey. Oh, yeah, no verse. No.
Mama Dev.
If I catch you.
If you catch you, you don't forget to not only you there outside here. No make us reason you. No make us reason your matter because you no go like her. Nonsense. Because they go your way. They find who no they find.
This thing you girls did today, you will surely pay for it. You surely pay for it. All of you.
Pay for waiting, what? We buy anything for your hand. Madam, I bet they go your way. We know they pay for anything, but we don't buy anything.
Just wear red and see now witchcraft bit they won't go.
The angel's night.
Nonsense. Just come and give us your bag now. We will not send us to
this cloth go too for you, no worry.
Hey, necessary. Hey! This is transfer of aggression.
Honey, where is the food?
No food.
Meaning what?
Meaning that your little nieces has finished everything. Even the one I kept for you, they have emptied the pot.
No. This is the height of it. How could these kids be this wicked? What have I done to them? Huh? And now I don't know what to do. I am seriously hungry. I am famished.
It's okay. I'll quickly make something for you to eat. Just hold on a bit.
What nonsense. They ate even my own food. My food.
Who be that? Now waiting. Huh? Who they look like that?
Now we. Kaki, open this gate for us.
Make I open gate for you. So what happen? Or by who?
By our order now. Who go give you order before? Open this gate. I be no one open and me will come inside.
I know they open anything because my oga and my madam never give me order. Make I open this gate.
Ha. Kakaki. Okay, you want me to kidnap us for here before you go open this gate? If anything happen to us for this place, he go there for your head. He go there for your head.
Wait, you say kidnapping?
Yes, nah.
Hey, me una wait there. Make I go tell my madam. Then collect key for gate. Make man go open gate for now. Yeah, I dey come now. No.
You like eating this? Go and look for food to eat. Make it back.
Okay. What is it?
Now your sisters then.
They bank gates. Say make I open gates for them. Make they enter.
Kakake.
Madam.
Do not open that gate for them.
Open.
Kakake,
Sir.
don't open the gate for them. Just like my wife said. When we are ready, we will tell you what to do with them. For now, go back to your duty post.
Okay, sir.
Don't let them inside.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Can you imagine? What is wrong with it? Anyway. My love, go back to the kitchen.
And do what?
And concentrate
Concentrate on what?
on the food.
Okay.
Don't mind those kids. I am asking you, what do you want me to do to you now? To all of you, Dada, Keke, and the Jada.
Is he not talking to you, Dada?
How do you know that he's talking to me? He's asking everybody question. You are calling me. See, daughter, I don't like this thing now.
I am asking all of you, Dada, Keke, and Jaja, what do you want me to do to you?
Answer him quickly.
Auntie, why you do like this now? You don't know, say they make us emotional. We still be little children, we still be small children.
Oh, will you shut up for saying that? What do you mean? Huh?
See, brother, all this thing where auntie they do, they make us emotional. And emotional now, we go get IPP. Big one.
This is not what we are saying here now. I am asking you for making my wife and her friend emotional. Since we are talking about emotional now, what do you want me to do to you?
What do you want me? What do you want us to answer you now? Because first of all, it's your wife that live our trouble. Me personally, I want now. I use this song say I used that song to warn her, but she could not understand it. Now you're saying I'm making you emotional. How did I make you emotional?
Why did your mother, my sister, send you people?
And because those villagers, they find our trouble. Our mama no want to show them pepper. So as she no want to show them pepper now, she send us come here. So that we go save them from our wahala.
Why you dey talk what you know? Who send you that one?
How?
What you make us call you? No be, you know that the way he come and
what is
say
make I talk? You know that when he asked me say why who send us come here? Maybe you make the call. Why you come they ask me?
Why you call us call? Now you call us call you. So
Okay.
I understand.
Will you shut up, all of you? What's wrong with you?
Are you people okay? Fine. For troubling my wife and her friend, I am going to punish all of you. I'm going to give you 6 strokes of cane.
Hey!
What is that?
But she don't fall now. That's when she fall now. Small fall now. Small. You won't.
Okay, you are measuring the fall. My lord, go and get me that cane. No, they think I'm joking.
I'm not joking. No, they didn't now. She find
Be fast
trouble
with the
now.
cane, please. Don't come close to me.
You fall. No, I can't even describe the fall. Like she don't do like this.
No be she fall like my friend fall. I don't know why she found the life our head now.
What happened?
I didn't see the key.
You did not see the key?
Praise the Lord! Hallelujah!
Where did you look for it? It should be there.
Come, I want to show you something. Come with me.
It's inside on top of that wardrobe. I don't want to talk.
Honey, come.
We should look for it. Hold on, yeah, I'm coming. Don't joke with me. Behave like as if you are in under punishment.
Now the king now. You won't go find the king. No.
So now, raise your...
Yeah, God. Your nieces, have you seen it? They are demons.
I've stayed behind.
Stay what behind? And do what? They took his insulting me in my husband's house. I'm taking all this nonsense because of you. Huh.
Oh.
Kakaki!
Mother.
Where are those urchins?
Who? Dada and her sisters. Did they pass here?
Yes, ma. They just pass here. No. They say you send the message when they go buy something for you. What? Now open gate for them when they come out.
Honey, did you hear that?
Oh my God!
Hey, okay, what's happened?
They escaped from my punishment. But don't worry. Whenever they return, make sure you lock this gate behind them.
Okay, sir.
You heard him, right?
Yes, madam.
Do the needful.
I will, madam. Hey!
Can you imagine?
Huh?
Hey. Honey, how many times did I call you? Are you going to allow those children to go like that?
This is becoming so serious from those urchins. What? Did I bring them to my house to cause high blood pressure for my wife? Why would they be doing this? In fact, what will I do to them?
Send them back to their mother. Please, Biko.
Abi?
I say, Abi? Call their mother right away. Tell her to come and carry her children. I'm tired.
I think you have a point there.
Ewo, JJ. Keke, how are you?
I'm not fine.
What happened? How are my children? Hope they are fine.
They are not okay.
Keke, are they sick? Hope they are not admitted in the hospital.
See, sister, I just want you to come and see them. Yes, try as much as possible, as soon as possible to come and see your children, please. Come.
I should hurry to the city. No problem. No problem. First thing tomorrow morning, see me see city. I will be there.
Please do.
Or see me delay. Delay half I'm mad. See me see city. First thing in the morning, I will enter the first bus. I will be there. Oh?
Thank you.
I don't get it.
Hey, Keke said all is not well. All is not well. I should not delay. Hey, he said I should not delay. Hope they've not committed any crime. Hey, Dada and company. Wait,
What do you mean by come and see them? I said you should let her come and carry her children. You said come and see them. How?
Carry and see. Are they not the same?
They are not the same.
Will she come here and not take along with them?
I don't like this, please. I don't like it.
Do you think I even like them being here? Please, I know what I'm doing. If my sister comes, they will follow her.
Hi. Hey.
Akaki? Oga, you don't tell when these children they worry me for here. Say they want enter, they want enter.
You can allow them to enter inside the compound. Open the gate for them. You can come inside the house. I am not here to hit you or hurt you. Come inside. Your mother is coming to see you soon.
My friend, you're even crying. So you called me, hope all is well.
Eliza, I am not crying. I am not crying, no. I don't think all is well.
What happened? Kiyeme.
My brother called me and demanded I come to the city and see how my children are doing. I've been scared since then.
Maybe they are sick and they need someone to take care of them.
Sick, kwa. Eliza, you know what? I am going to that city to bring them back. Let them come and be staying with me in this house. If it is Gary, we'll drink it together. Eliza, no woman can ever take care of your child like you. 9 months are broken 9 days.
I feel for you, my friend.
That's why I sent for you. So I can tell you that I'm traveling to this city first thing in the morning.
I just hope they are not sick and they will have to admit them in the hospital.
I don't know. I don't know what to think. Bread Marasagayasa. Always nothing. I can't think well again.
Or they have gone to the city to steal and they burn them.
Hey! Eliza! Shh! Burn who?
Sorry.
Eh?
Sorry.
How can you say a thing like that?
Sorry.
Eliza, it's in born. I thought you were my friend.
You know, city is not like village. Now, if you steal anything, pencil, chewing gum, they will burn you or take you to the prison.
Hey! Burn! Hey! Oh, my dada, go Jonathan. I'm scared, dada. Dada company. Dada company. Eliza. Eliza.
Sorry.
Hey! Eliza, how can you say it like that?
Sorry,
Eliza,
sorry.
Eliza.
Sorry.
I don't want anything to happen to them.
Nothing
I
happens.
love my children. Let them come back. I'm ready to take their trouble. Help! Okwa dada. Dada mo. Dada company. Dada company.
I heard that those demons have been driven from this community. And now Oduru is back with full force. Wiche. Nothing will ever stop me from having you now. You are alone for me to have. Look at this.
Yeah.
Sandalili, 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 sandalili. I'm a police in my country. Some of you know me well. If you look at me up and down, you will know that is true. Sandalili, 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 sandalili. I am a doctor in my country. Some of you know me well. If you look at me up and down, you will know that is true. Sandalili, 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 sandalili. I am a professor in my country. Some of you know me well. If you look at me up and down, you will know that is true. Sandalili, 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 sandalili. I am a teacher in my country. Some of you know me well. If you look at me up and down, you will know that is true. Sandalili, 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 sandalili. I am a lawyer in my country. Some of you know me well. If you look at me up and down, you will know that is true. Sandalili, 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 sandalili. Sandalili, 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 sandalili. I'm a police in my country. Some of you know me well. If you look at me up and down, you will know that is true. Sandalili, 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 sandalili. I am a doctor in my country. Some of you know me well. If you look at me up and down, you will know that is true. Sandalili, 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 sandalili. I am a professor in my country. Some of you know me well. If you look at me up and down, you will know that is true. Sandalili, 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 sandalili. I am a teacher in my country. Some of you know me well. If you look at me up and down, you will know that is true. Sandalili, 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 sandalili. I am a lawyer in my country. Some of you know me well. If you look at me up and down, you will know that is true. Sandalili, 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 sandalili.